are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Yes, Jesus. Jesus.
Okoman Radio 97.1 Official Power.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Your love is sweeter than the harmonies of spring. Jesus, you are the best. Your love is whiter than the sky up in the clouds. Jesus, you are the best. Your love is stronger than the bulls and the horses. Jesus, you are the best. Your love is higher than the heavens above the earth. Jesus, you are the best. Oh, Jesus, you are the best. You are. Jesus, you are the best. Yeah. You are. I call you the best, Lord. You are my dear Lord. Jesus, you are the best. My counselor, yeah. Jesus, you are the best. You are the best. You are the best. You are. Oh, Jesus, you're the best. Yeah. You are the best. None compares with you. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, you are the best. Yeah.
Of course, Jesus, you are the best.
Jesus.
Another beautiful Monday here. The 18th of December 2023 in the year of our Lord. Time check from the studio rate 49 minutes after 6. So I can boldly say 20 minutes to head 7 here.
Yes.
This is Okoman Radio.
God, you're the best.
Transmitting on the powerful frequency modulation 97.1. Folks, together with my crew, my team, the entire staff, we say good morning and welcome on board on the show, Okoman Kasa. My name has ever been Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku nyametiase ewe bibofa otafregya.
Savior, you are the best.
So wherever you are this morning, this is the way I welcome you. Once again on the show,
Love myself,
between this time till 10 a.m. It is my pleasure, my time,
lover.
a moment we got to share together to talk of issues, pertaining issues
Though I call you best,
that will bring development
then the best. Oh, best, you are the best.
and affect us positively.
Jesus,
In Akuapem.
you are the best.
So this morning, together with the entire crew, Akropong Nana Ode Papebi, who sat in for me, did everything for me.
Everything.
He is a brother, you know. But you see, I may have name as a man, he said, Mayday. And I mean, and cutting contradi. That is my greatest problem now. Another Papebi, thank you so much.
My hero.
Another Brewado.
Jesus, you are the
Ochamia Brewado.
best.
I mean, call it, I mean, Chiao.
You are.
Chamio Bro Jim Fee, I mean, Chiao.
Yes, you are.
Anape min chamia mi diema. Late kubasi fonina, hinasi fonina. Remember we are one. Yeah, nipa bako.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus, you are the best.
Anape Amelia Kaakyire.
Oh, you call
Kida lafia. Ya gida. Ya iki. Hope you are doing good.
Jesus, there is none.
And to the Nanama Trankonya.
There's nobody. Jesus, there is none.
Amo enclave henina, Akuapem enclave, and I say Akuapem enclave ya. Anape michiamo. I hope you are doing good. Your driver for Mushen ye my a bonnet seat. Upon no, a unity. But I don't pay your bedding come.
When God he puts some
Mwana me home for me, Mokai me, Pai Bomu Frefra, maybe some impom, a radin shramo. Especially me, Miniaba. Anita, opposite Church of Pentecost. God bless you so much, Auntie Anita. Mwamu kai minyami shramo. Mwamu yurefi minyami enya matom.
Yourself, you know.
Na ya makai me.
Now the thing where I see.
Ano pe nkomo ho, ye be di nkomo. Madam sa no pe ya be hwe be toto ni o menyina ye.
Now why are they always give and praise? Oh.
Ano pe ni amede ma once ya shejumedie ya say matu say remember there is God.
My mountain, oh.
Ano pe kai say Nyankopon bi wo ho. Ano pe kai say nyame bi wo ho. Ano pe kai say obo ade bi wo ho. Ano pe kai say kokroko bi wo ho. Ano pe kai say atoko afregya bi wo ho. Na nu nyina se na ye sha. Osefo ni sentumi nkan yen. Se nu nyina se na ye sha. Na hinta bia ho na se ye wa. Osefo betwemu akọ. Se na hinta bia ho na ye wa. Na de agye na betu yen. And nti enna no na Moses ka e was Psalm 91.
The one where he did.
Moses kai. Or say he who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, in God in whom will I trust. For He will deliver thee from the snare of the fowler. Hanna yami dano. O si obeyi yenye firo fidi sumfo no ne fidie mo. Baby, asanya me there. I say 1,000 shall fall on your left hand and 10,000 at your right hand side, and no evil shall befall you. You will just be standing and see the reward of the wicked. Anope, I don't know where you are, but I want you to get into the secret place of the Most High. Kweradi enyunase, kweradi hinta bia hanom. Presa be kwa ura hobi, presa be kwa koshe hobi, presa be nya sabambo no. Efse wo se urade nyunu asia. Wo se Nyankopon hinta bia ha. Ya de obeko. Ya be kanchio. Ya be fra wo sunsum wo ahwehwe ni mo. Ya de kra ne besi wonom. Ya be fra wo din. Na wo image mfoni be ba bedemu. So say radu nyina sia. Ya de dro beto wose nam so. Wo bedi ewudro enti ena no na radu asam se. Wa bra Paul do baby. Na Paul kanya mesam. No mu ya say wo firi hin. Bible say wa be bare Paul nsa ho. Na sai na Paul ehye Onyankopon wa hinta be enti. Owo na ntimi anya ne hwe. Eho na nipa atwahia ho nyina se wo ye Nyankopon. Paul wo ye bosom. Paul wo tumi ani wo tumi. Tumi a emfiri nipa nchan. Tumi a eni nnuemu. Tumi a eni abotan mu. Tumi a enye tumi bia. Na mbom asafu Yehowa tumi. Anunti na no praise Awurade ehu ya mbobɔ ne yɛdate ase. Enkakra kan na kuma bi ne Awurade de yɛ twade a. Ade tra yɛn prese yɛ bɛhyɛ saa nwunu na se. Mami a utie me, papa a utie me, I'm here to provoke you. Maybe you don't know. If you know, then you are slagging. So when you say we are sadia, and they are all chiche when I say, you make a little thing that and open your person me ma uti asu and say, you will hintabia bi ho. Makes the difference. Onyankopon wa hintabia. Enya bansrena, enya kawana. Enya montono, enya dufano, na ye hintabia bia. Sabe no dwane kotwa, sabe no dwane kwhye hono mo a. Awurade ehunu mo broto yeso. Enti enna no na Bible no ka. Masi woku yen na. Nansu yenwo. Listen, a couple of days, enna kakre ne me da ho. My hospital doctors are yani omu beye bia. Doctors is kejire wunyare o. Mesi doc mi wo se me nyare. Doc ni aye me no muni mu anka mon kasa me nyare o. Me na metimi gya ho na menim kwane anam so ehhehye me fa. Am say okay, kotwa wei, koye wei. Ko 37, ko kolebu, resource no fabra. Mesi yo. Nyese me ye nyina makwa akoye. But the doctors is kejire wunyare. And I sat down and I asked myself, me am madam for back up me boni dia mube hono. Kojo nyanka. Mamunim Kojonyanka. Abranti wodi akotene 1 pp amanyoko ni mu ba.
Except you build a house, the builder builds in vain.
A couple of days on any Kasa and then meti tew. You see some sister who hear me mommy, who hear me papa, who hear me. Mama you say yeah dear ya dumbio. But it's just by the grace of God and yeah that's what you say. I don't have to pay me my own fire radio accident need that. I don't pay me my own fire radio accident need that. I don't pay I should be a fat ass of Yehovah. As I said, I know you're the man. I don't pay wherever you are. Join me live on Facebook, Okoman Radio, Okoman Kasa Sabre, and then come over Hopper. But before that, make I was under tracking the authority, ensuring accountability for a better Akuapem. I don't pay any answer Daniel Bedin come aspiring assembly member for Churahanta electoral area. Any didn't come where we are now watching and a year to assembly members is wabba. Yenny Yura Solomon.
You never leave.
And Gaga Bedin come on only penny quantity for that easy. That you may call Musha Batwaswano, and no Akuapem North Municipal Assembly. And the Pastor Baha, Ras Solomon and Gaga, then in a dinkomo. And which you know say your bombardier to an amount. Now you come BMB to say, Abu Abua,
You make
Mangwa say. Kwamoso menim say abuasa no boye ni sa no dia
makes a difference.
ba me hu abuabua wa ha mangwa se kwamoso ebe hu se enyoma bi koso
I like the way you lead me.
enyoma na koso ache bada no pay plan Ghana bebe fidue yi mo yani plan Ghana be di nkomo emba ye tete wo mo bo mo ehye bi yefunu ehye bi nyi sei
Me every day.
enkola ye ni wonom eye den yedi wo mo ye adwuma den
I like the way
wo mo awufu o kola no wontimi kura ne ye de ne ya kura ne se meko school yesi besi kwefu mu kodo yesi kona kotom biribi yesi koyese yensembi bano pe weni ne ka hu ina de bebrel
you never keep me no first day.
ano pe samne doso ebusi amedi Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku nyameti ase ano pe na no de papa bi ofidue mo nana machi
Enua.
ohwa efe
Medazimia.
nana mpomboko de
You are just the me boni acheme was some yare.
de do ba de ase late boko
Latte din asumdwe.
esro ni ase nyina
Boko last weekend nyina na me wa latte. Was soro ni ase nyina.
ai na menim se ye bi koso ho
Oh, anya asem kitwa. Aye krunti. Osumenjao. Ane brother da fam.
oh
Na me ye na nko bia hene nti na adaje oni me ho.
adaje no ho
Yo na se me ko basa.
yeah
Ebreka akra ba mu no me fro soro ho.
Efro
Ekochia nananom a ewo ho.
Okay.
Ekochia na na obere wado. Otafregya.
se
O se men kan kire wo se.
Edino.
Otafregya no na e original.
sa
To ba be srefi no
na
ho.
anaka pese na obisa ne se nana obrewado bisa chia me se ebrebe no start so use Otafregya ese obisa no mame
So Otafregya no na original no.
nana kra ne se otu nsama me o
Enti men kan kire wo se bra na ba ya ho amane.
se nana adini awotu edia snap mako emiensa ode sika twitwiri die menje ne sika kese meje no million no mako dunum
Na nya sam ketwa.
ene yesen no
Dunum da na
50 million dabi me ka 10 and 5 is it 15,000 no 1,500
1,500.
na
the same as 50 million.
na wonfa nsefu a yamfeja ene fitaye onfa mbra
I know they say
Dabi biribi ka ho nsefo ayamfagya mfita ne ya ne omode eni ani bi o
womode de adro twa ni munyina wonfagya mfita ntinkan ya simple
me beka asem wasi so nsefo ayamfagya mfita no benya ankukodwie ema akoma 1002 ewom onfa mbre me
ne no bre wasem ato
ai enwera opofa ko jan opofa onfa mbra na efe
na opesa o ye togbe togbe
na bibia de din de
oh Yehovah atiase fe na ya fe o oja Yehovah na otwimu ani na enye izesa ekonwa kase ne mutena den na enye bete
na wo to me no and now what it takes so bet them until now to me tremo I mean for akonya we so na me na wase se so unya abutre ehwe ekire atoto ni o manyina din ma bibia nso to din anope me da wase
ni aseda we se si ni kaja ni aseda yo
na kaja hu bi mfie sen ni
ebi wo ho me
me tie kura na me hu bi kaja ho
ho bebre
ye we kura se no o sori Akuffo ma we bubi ahia wo se mo atwitwi se kama na o ko sia ye fufu kama white
woni se kaja ye de ye niama bebre
sa
ubo modern ani tu ye din ba tamon su to no
utumi tu
ho abetumi atu utu a watwa ne hini no be say 11 utwa mako 11 na watwitwam a na wa hata kakra wa na wa show no moto na wa show no moto etumi ye niama bebre
oh wow on say dua bi a edin pa etumi ye niama bebre sure enano na making kan na enano pondre ya na mi hu dua bi so eno so said ye wu ke ya abrofo kra da kire nye bibifo abrofo na kire yen say sa dua no say unya na wo wirewire ho na wo dibi efra nsuo edware a honhombo ni ntimi obitu edura enya enam say abrofo yi
ye wo niama bebre wo ya bibim ha enua ne hamama atwa ye ho ahia ne bebre wo Nyankopon de mayen for yen protection ana niama bebre ebi ma good luck ebi ma protection ebi ma niama bebre ewo ho a yen hamama ne enua atwa ye ho ahia no eye na say ye be colonize yen na ye be say ya adwene ka kire se ni nyina ya abosonsam ti yemfa no nto ho na ye njindi se ya yare aye ho beto
enti Nyankopon ye bosoma na
Nyankopon enye bosom
edu bebi o ka kire Moses se omfa bo nto ho na wontwa moja guso na obefiri soro abetena bo nim
on se oye sunsun a Bible so ya ahene mu ahene ana oye wura mu awura enti otesoro no ana se wiase na eye ne de no ono no oye ohene wo so ohene bia so eye ade a eye purification ana se appeal ode moja eye so ade ase enti na Onyankopon fa ne doba koro a ka se oye ogwamma ne ho ni asem enti Nyankopon adwene mu no wa hu Yesu se oye nipa ba hu no se oye ogwamma ne ho ni asem efini nkeka bia ni no na okum no de purify egwa no ahemu ahene no de purify egwa no de Jesus atumi a eye wiase nyina atumi no etena so enti obi ntimi enya ne hwe
okay
so ahu enti egwa bia ye purify no enti na afibia ye amane ye Christmas convention ye Easter convention ni ade e dey purify sit no the holy of holy sit no ye dey purify said ye be ya na hindi ebekoso ara atenase wiase asem American it's a mystery.
Yeah, it's a mystery.
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery. Nana udi bronya.
Mindi bronya se afashe. Ba mi di bronya se me recognize Yesu a wade ne beche wiase na enam no so na me benya enkwa.
I don't think Christopher Binom Gidi say yes, I would die and I yedi. Of which any biblical background.
I am myopic ideas. Well, I genuinely na kwaya say sebe na ye wo Yesu na ene na ye wo Yesu na da ye de wo Yesu no 25th ye susu say eno na ye de wo Yesu no binuma fan say do sabre no then it is true say yawo no ba we ye nsem bi a asi aba betwam ti said ya ye nananom kwa akon wo ye ayi na wo gige friend say bibia a ejina mu say ampa say wan ye amane ama fe hu agi kro na si wo enti afi bia no wo be ye nkai e de akai say bibi say si na numonyam ana say nidi bia sese wo de masade no wotime e de ama akai na won wiramfi so ade ase enti da ye wo Yesu a ye say ya wo Yesu nti we yare kai no we no anya sefe na ya wo Yesu na mo eye enkai de a ye kai say bribi baya asem say si enti no ye shefa
enti ye nya bebia mfa saa da ne nkɔhye sɛ 25th December
days ene ade eye ye ankasa yen se nipa ye betimi asesa day ene da aye 25th no
ada ye be sesa 25th no me start se me di bronya but omo sesa ya me ndida
eno no enka hwe
nana enka hwe nana enye date
enka hwe
nana one mo se kwanya ye nam so benya Christmas no maka kire wo da
yeah
me ka kire say Roman for no mo bosom a yes and God God of fertility
yeah
ana 25th December ena eno krom ho no mo bia yi ne ho Roman ni obia yi ne ho na makọ te say park kese nana me hu yira me ne da hu me yira o ne da na out of sa na we mu nyina no na se obi fa efura wa fa efura na de your friend fetus ase onyam form ye nipa nwie no na wakoyi no ade amasa abosom no what you say and during the time
in the way of abortion
but no uko gisa de na wo de amabosom no mo de pacify bosom no and no bia ni obi ada e naked me hu yira me no yire da all play
okay
and the time Constantine emperor Constantine emperor no e ba ye no na oyenye atwom and emperor ne kan say ade we ye ya yetumi come nipa ye nipa over 50 million edigu anti yenye bribi says bribi sa na ye be there okay a Christopher no e believe in Christ yes we believe in mass anti sa dia 25th ne sa de be ye omu hunti ye nyina ye celebrate Christopher celebrate Christ na Roman Empire Roman not as a Roman church but Roman Empire no celebrate mass and to amukabom ne be ye Christmas banana ushe baby even when you read time I didn't say Jesus Christ in the fourth month the month of September that is according to the Hebrew calendar and this year we yesu yanyim September na bosomen kron ye bewo na brebe na ye de wo no
opebre
no but unim yensua no it is serious nana there are powers in numbers and powers in days people don't know
it's true
abrebia me ka say day bie ne hono mu ye day kwa day bie ne hono mu ye day kwa but ye benya abotre na ya tena se na yesua de a ho anka yesua ne de ye nim but me ye pani mesua I have read I have researched and me hu nyoma bebre
na na wa share light blue no
and just me color light sea blue
say day Monday day white and blue
I see
na me face say eno nti na wa share
Dabi enye no ntra but me sea blue me color
okay.
I love blue color me pe blue color no me fe
okay
say anpe na ya tnewa Nayat, anapay mi chiao. I hope so. Bibia so demo boko ana pe ma minchia ya minuaba Kwabesco abena Kwabesco na me bisa ne se ne ho say me wo fasefo ni na pa ene kojo. I hope you are doing good ana pe mi chiamo and that is it make me feel say
yeah
say ye betimi akoyechi say who say me di bro na me di bro nya say afe no akọ na san ya beto me
and that is it
but enya say bro nya na wonu me die no ana me because ye kase obi awoda Bible mu nipa miensa na edi wonu ma awoda awoda nipa miensa na di yi nyina no so ewie nu koye bribi anenye ekoye owu ekoye mogehwieguo ye twa wo biti what you say
up to now
yes na kasa na we di ni birthday
da Kwame Nkrumah birthday I see a celebrity as of mine
and America say
yeah until there's nothing
but Kwame Nkrumah kra no we are making a mistake so we can kind clat on wakasa ne sasha se otworo ya date ra ye de ma no enye o se nye sa date ne ye wo no you can google abehu date ra ye di na woda no o se enye sa na mbom Roman sofo born nesu no those days no anim literacy ne maame se bi oskui wan sheda nkobi ne ade e no wakasa papa no bo ebisan se na ya ye wo no eyie be na omo ye wo no na wo mu di kundum no na etoso sen Kwame Nkrumah na enum asem o na okay father ne can say okay if that is the case there and e bia o birthday no ye wo sa da we no de ma no but Kwame Nkrumah e ba monte e be tworo ye in his diary say enye sa da no na ye de e wo no
anti ada na once sa Kwapem say we
oh say ababa ye what they ni document
na yen so say oman no ye je atum na da o ye wo no yetumi celebrate wo man mu enti say Kwame Nkrumah as a human being yetumi kind date of birth celebrate ya the ma holiday po na say ka say ye say celebrate Jesus Christo would say ye January say ye February say ye den na ye celebrate ya we only appreciating say
but you celebrating no only my idea away chire
idea no for individual yes one kasa as human being idea what they celebrating no and no and chire nipa ko a wo ye anatumi a ebedi chire enti now no yende ye celebrate say me say Christo ni mapa Christo awo na wa jeme dem inform so nyina che me awu ama me no de me celebrate say
zigi o celebrate as
well na Christo ade ababa
bro nya udi ho
dem inform so acha me
okay udi bibia okay na no dey me that say anobe ya behwe se de awie mu bobre no be ye Belinda Opon ebe ni so ade amaye we are and enkomo honomo ayebedi. But we are live on Facebook. Mamenko Atlanta, Georgia. Swani nana pe minchia. Ebusu afo nyina. I know Jesus Christ came from above, from his comfort zone and died on my behalf. That's reconciling me to Christ or reconciling me to the Almighty God. So he was used as an atonement for my sins. And this Jesus is my Lord. Bella, good morning.
Good morning, KJ.
What you say?
When
you do? Ana brofo na mente. What does you feel?
Bajo yo mitimi fie.
What you feel?
Bajo yo.
Untu ye.
Debi.
Na de we na Diana.
I don't so that metu hu.
I am so Diana wetu.
F me fie.
Ai.
Eko hin.
Wo si untu ye.
Debi. Ene bi eda yo. Wetu mazu me ho da ye. Wow.
Maso ho da ye session asembe na okay.
Na ni o ken die.
Bella, what's you to ye?
Been to you, KJ. Na why fan of paper? Wow. Christmas is the Odipa.
I dare not. I'm sure you're curry.
Hey.
Aye, you're curry. Auntie, but also the in the bedroom into me share no. Now
do you say me?
I
Enyemia.
I see.
Enyemia.
Ayo quarry.
And then a ban.
And then about
Ayo.
Nobody
K Brown.
On one in Amon Clan.
Ayo. Quarren and a banana and
boss, me wa denta. I'm sure denta wo ya den. And then that. Hey. Your friend Mickey Brown, Medic Brown, official Brown. Bella, I no pay Fayenko, na yen hwe se de wiembo brebe.
All right, Ketri, my men now was in a mention yet for you na stations ne doors send a damn see a canon. Monsieur Okoman Radio from Yamenya Mokasi. We be a roti Okoman Radio no, Yankopon enye nebisa de Christmas no and fine man. Kai national success, empo Christmas when ya ponche nambi and na kuko nambi and ria. Da unyami ase, the fact wotin kwamuno, ma wani so na da Yankopon. Asanse nye ni pen na enya no senia wenyin. 24-hour forecast for Ghana valid from 6 a.m. today. Yemfasida kese Emma Thomas insia e champon ene ono no oduma boayen na yetumi ehu ye wiem obobreno. The weather for today is expected to be fairly dry and slightly hazy across most areas within the southern half of the country. The northern half will experience sunny, dry and hazy conditions with visibility ranging from between 3 kilometers and 8 kilometers. Early morning mist or fog patches are predicted over the coastal, forest and hilly areas. And nano penwo aflawo encrying ka so Cape Coast, Axim ho Koforidia Achimoda Kumase Obuase na fe takwa nano penwo be experience 60% of mist. Na fe Barima no yebe hu openani na fe nyumebrimu zo openo yebe fele kakra bi kai na hye so na fe kintampo go so sunyane techiman Yendi, Tamale Bole, Damongo, Bolgatanga, Narugu, and Afiwa, Rimbe Shinafi, Omen Penny Kakra, was Samia Menafia Brimuno, a Rianibe Bo, na Openo, and Namu, and you may Brimuno Sapa Pepe, and a bay, and your rope Ebrimudi, Kainashan say Yani be to whoopia, but more things so nose mask, Nawashe, and Kaiba air banono, who shed the Pia Bontin the Nantia. And no bet to me, I was saying from my air bono and yet from my papa. Kaina Shannon soon no penny and fasida kasiye pa Emma Thomas in Sia a champo meeting at the Belinda upon bet to me after Mohima major so now mamma to what I see and I'll pay me more anything.
Bella means me that was when you pony and I when you pony. A pony. A pony. Effort. Effort. I mean, who we are not many aje. And we, the pay women in effort.
Thank you so much.
What did Bronya home?
Debbie, I can't for you, Nibronya.
More reason is ain't I want to Bronya.
Oh, for that, they mentioned that you specific, but ye Nibronya. Ye Nibronya.
But, sir, we are quite now in the Bronya, and I say, we'll find out why until I end the Bronya.
Oh yeah, that's true. But I'm say a higher quality to make us be so fruity. It's with the higher.
At the end of Bible, no one why never said that when you Bible ni.
I just mentioned.
9% come to be beach, but me who say Bible until me toncho.
Sir,
and there, quite Brahma honor my own few.
Mia,
I
didn't.
That's me. Na
me. Ablama men fi me cry ne ban be fi me.
Sir.
Oh you.
Sir.
And then
I didn't care coach to say oba mo be few.
Oh sir.
But find out why.
Who di bronya de?
Me.
Yeah.
Time wa minimum na miswa no. Sunday ye de me kogina sorry dem. Na ana bronya so me ma me de me be bankran.
Okay.
Na if baby bata no abeto shoe amame. Abeto shoe no atonta de bronya che spectacles anase mo kan se watoto to say no mana ma ye nyina. Eno no car na o mikrom na car na ye ba akopɛ.
Okay.
Yeah, Bedford. Sa bon shake ni bi. Bedford near your friend Oja Pass.
I see.
Enti eno pa ho a watonchi bi na fie kure bi ase besen. Ano anti eno ba be ye tu na wasore ne ye dware. yaw de class de wo bank ran na be ye tu na wakotena ka nim yema epa ho age safe Bella enye easy o epa ho age afe nti that is that nti me ye pani a me sua ye me hwe ni ayeye ne Christmas ne far by abrofu igu so edada yen say de kwa do mo nka Christmas wo mo ayi Xmas we say what is the meaning of X ne so wo ntumi nkyerɛw but mass in the meaning say ye bosom a na Roman Empire esom no until 25th December no and omu disi ho say wo de beye atonement and say na yede o say na mambre de be yama no na ye mojada what I say obia ni obia da mihyiawa mitumi ne woda meyere ne wa meyere no a na tumi ne woda donzi tumi ne woda zigi tumi ne woda meso mitumi ne obia yere da well na out of Bella out of we mu nyina na ebepie mu no na the god of mass no na yakwa ko tu sa yefunu no na ye dia ye nyankoma de ayede e dia ma no well just like Valentine. People don't understand. Yeah, no more koko. Valentine Day. And I say na empire bio say osofo bi and na dear ben obeka omo boa. Africans we don't read. Yema brofundi no be share so Valentine na ye moja no mukum wo nipa moja no de jom no mo na ye koko. What I say? Na obosom the sun god.
Okay.
Ono na mambra na ye yema na ye can say adia na ye yema no on the 14th of December 14th of February sorry 14th of February moja kokosa ya na ye kunkola na human sacrifice was there already. Roman, the history of Roma, you will know it is there, the books are there. And to ya na fedie and the dandeda until 14th December and so sang God and so ne dey say and so a man mba pie koju omani no mo akwanyem sa enya bibia na ye na Valentine ye na oh and then mo was obekwa so the 14th December yes say 14th December ye nso ye di Valentine sisi ano e Christopher no nsua wiase ana wiase na se nsua Christopher
obi ansua obia
obi sua obi
adene se
adene de wo he
tie ma men kan kyerɛ te se nea Roman dia na wo kan se edu ho no we no mo aya Christmas ana se Christopher enso aye no kwan a ye fa so ede ye ade wore ye wode because of ni awoye ninti. Nana,
have you thought of the same day? It was on your show. During the time of Emperor Constantine.
Because
and what this said 25th December.
Because of Oshe. Na 91 ya yebekum wonti no. Christopher said, okay, let's do it. But in a way, no, yan ye shia ne ya. Yeah, in the name of our Christ, but not of what you are doing. So we don't do likewise what they do. We do different things. And they should have
even changed the date. I mean, that is my problem.
That time,
because that 25th, no,
for them to prevent themselves na yenkum wo mo na mo betena se na o matumi apapagate their gospel no sa
Nana, say I like this. I love to do argument this morning and I pay argue.
Yeah, argue.
What you are telling me and say na one year ye bekum onim kwan ya the apostles no nam so ye
apostles no se sabre no o mantimi anye sabre na ma medu sa situation no anka apostles no nko wowen apostles no jumadi a wodi ene sede a eniamasi course
apostles no mo ye nipa obi ya catch and say just denounce your faith say won di Christo echi won ye Christo or say no empare me
ebribia ni mo adeye
enti ebribia ni mo adeye say ye ndi Valentine amanfo nyenyem wo mo kotutu ye furu obi ni member ye fa and that topic I be discuss you ye ni plan Ghana be discuss obo hu say bebre Valentine wo mo nyenyem wo mo nye kuru
forget about Valentine ne akeka ho hwe say Valentine
we are what we ubisa ni say na so de mbema ku okura chi ase oni
Valentine yo say nye Valentine yo amanfo nyem ye enyumre amanfo nyem wonyem de daw
I see
they do it say I mean sometimes you go say ye break by 6 send by mofra no won't me and coinyam ubre pon sisio 1 sisio obi benyam ade wo edu weekends jama Amanfo bo krom ne bas ne ade yi sanya yi okohwe mofra na ayi a wogu ho ne sanya wobubu won sisi ebinum sisi obeka se ayi achia na ayefia wan wo chia won to ne wo pan wo no mo ne ade enyina no wo yesa no eno ayi ana say program obi ye no
ka say don ya kasa the moment I touch ye to ne wo mo pan don ne
ade no ayade a ewo ho and they are doing it entis no pan I don't be the kita.
Enya me na mayo. Hey. Amen. 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 Oh, Shumeka Temo. Yamishra, one of paying you.
You. And a parent. yɛda ɔbɔ ade Nyankopɔn n'ase so ɔde yɛn efi January ase ɛnɛ ɛyɛ 18th yɛka sɛ yɛda n'ase ɔde yɛn nkwa yɛbusua nyinara nkwa akyɛ yɛn kukuruhyi ase emu pepa ɔforo emu ahwe ase emu abom kyɛ sɛ biara kwan na kyea biara kwan na yɛatɔkyɛ biara na yɛn nsɔe ni nyinaa mu no yɛn Nyankopɔn na ngyaw yɛn mu ɔde yɛn afɔm abɛdu ɛnɛ a yɛka kyɛ sɛ naase nyinaa nkan de Sunday Awurade ase nso ɛma wɔn nkwa yɛfa mu nyinaa Awurade ase ade waba bi a yɛda ɔbɔ ade Nyankopɔn n'ase Nyankopɔn hyira mo obiara bye bye
me that's show me katiemo 05516677755. Yes, hello, good morning. 05516677755. And I said 0270191971. Wait me from your opinion in Komoka crowd 33 downside 7 here on Okoman Radio 97.1. Asia wuti enye wona waye enye busia na wofiri mu na enye dro na doctor ne de ma wona enye wusika na egu bank na enye bansre na da wasene na enye kawa na ehye wona enye mpaye bi na akobo ye na but eya dom yeah. 05516677755 05516677755 0270 191971 and pay friend ending come friend of radio Sudamano. Yes, hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku ha your Okoman Radio 97.1 odini bia free.
Wo frame nana obrel ado. AKA otafregya. According to campaign me free latte kubasi. We original otafregya na kasa ni.
David. Nana original no original ni neti hey. Nana obrel ado.
Wabo midin.
Enti me yiri betua me ka nwumre wo hu. Anadwi wa
bro bia. Anadwo wo yi dia wo akatua bi je. Na wo sanya kape ahomate fast ma me sanka sira me fama nana ode esiedu papa bi. Na me nya fe ba kon ka ma fe ho.
Yo.
Straight way automatic no radar.
Nana, I don't pay by yet.
Yo, I mean, I'm paying near more can ama many papa and a chinya when in another papa be a satam one of you know. I'm a say, I am a dam, I mean, when I may know a pusumia. Meso, my friend will say, and yes, sad and that is a meso, margin today, FM is a little bit worse. But the master that can have a man, and your boy in a say, and one my yasanya, and that Libya can end down. Yo. Na brunya ne de tama Yesu sana ne epe brunya de na mo yenyi de no kwade ni brunya de David ye ndi biom David aida David ayidi because anope kwa me be di brunya anope ya me be wi na sa tafura ka mo e ka se we ni che
na obetafre
metafro na me da be na metafro
na betafre
na no de ya we na sama me ke se mere ko hwe na no de se samre onya ya ga wa pon na ga wa ja betu ya me wa
no so betafre bi
I said the medical problem the one that I said over no where you any.
Okay. Nana Kasa, me that's it.
Yes, me that's it. Bye bye.
Yes, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho didn't be out free.
I only have Barima. Hi, Gigi.
Hi, Gigi.
Hi, Gigi. Hello.
Na empo muti say.
Nyami adumo na mo fie.
Ewrade ehome mo bo. Anope hunters to say.
Oh, bibia e boko.
Ma me ne ebusuafo ni nyina.
Obia hoye.
Ochina ye koto abo. Ubo sheka na.
Oh, nyami aye wi.
Amen.
Na otafregya oni say. Nfa kwenda yesu nchi a eye nana
Mr. Ansan Daniel.
Mr. Ansan Daniel.
Member for Ayechira Hunter electoral area.
Oh, okay. Wabaho.
Yeah, papa.
Ah.
About way dear. Ochinampa Ebeja.
Ochina.
Na se Manfi West and South food tie me pad ya. Mon vote to man you bet to me aye jumano. Enye kasana. Mr. Benjamin Mantiao. Monton Femano is answer no one bet to me aye jumano.
Our
Manfi West and South.
Manfi.
Aye.
West and South.
West and South.
Who your campaign amano?
I was say to mano.
Media mini panana me kind no. Or the say Kofi Bampo Yeah, mini pan or the Bempo. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Oh really?
Yeah. But I'll be some area now me who. But the Kofi Bempo.
Old mango asin so not just say.
And I latte so latte baby Hajiji one. Yeah. I can't chane. Yeah. Hajiji. And oh. Is it Saforo, Safori.
Yes.
Okay. Ni pe ya mi ke mi nimu no. Mi hu ne da.
Nimu no ko e no buy.
Safori.
Yeah, Safori.
And Nana Kwame Perry. Nana Kwame Perry.
Ukugwa electoral area.
Ah, na hono ye Ukugwa. Okay.
Nana Kwame Perry. Mr. Benjamin Mantiao. He is the right man for the job. What I say? Into the one to from man.
We can do Oceano.
Oh, but so Oceano
O me Oceano na minim no pa. One say nipa de wunim na uni
Mantiao.
ya. Me ba betina ka ache mo se monto man is answer monto man na. Obeye juma na di amamu because minim no for some.
Maybe I'll tell you can follow us live on YouTube. Our YouTube, and to YouTube one or more. So still the same account, Okoman Radio on YouTube. We are there live now. Also, Mr. Mantia,
Benjamin Mantia,
number 4. Okay.
And no nya hu ni pepe pa. And twentwen won answer.
Hey, Nana, my enchia eyo oheneba ene
oheneba ne mpeni ase kitchen.
Yes.
Ne
Fadin mame.
No size.
Yeah. No size. Me nimo no. Me hu ni da.
Ono anso necessary auto man.
No size. Okay. No size. Bampeni ase kitchen. From there na wono mba ha no no. Wo mu ye adwuma bie ma na.
Omo ye adwuma.
Ata me no ye adwuma.
Omo ye adwuma.
Wo ma fa ho be 3-4 times me hu bia.
Sir ebi wo ha oje ayi. Others nti otutu kwan no koye others nti so around and oye ha no. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. No, only me mama. Me twem afa ho sa. But me do obi anayatum.
Oje others pa nti sometimes I come to no doors.
Auntie, what's it? Or they say Benjamin
Mantiao Benjamin Mantiao. Salem headmaster. And after the leader of Akuapem Melodic Choir.
So why you quanche?
Oya chorister. Unsa me chorister.
Also ya chorister.
Me boa me yonko chorister.
Oh.
Into Monto man Benjamin Mantiao.
Adekwadim.
Anti Monto Manana Mantia.
Monto Manana Mantia Benjamin.
Okay.
Order number 4.
Number 4. I see.
He's the right man for the job.
Indeed. Okay. Nana Yambon Radio one cut out on exactly 8 o'clock. Best start to say daily graphic I can see from the front page here. Protect peace between Christians and Muslims. President Akuffo urges Ghanaians. Parliament approved 339 million for Accra Tema motorway project. Government open to alternative lithium mining agreement according to Jinapo and Ghana Pentecostal Council of Churches backs anti-LGBTQI plus. Is it QI and QL and QI plus bill? charges MPs to build consensus for passage without delay. GPCC near then.
Ghana Pentecostal Council
Ghana Pentecostal
and Charismatic Council, Bibisa.
Okay. And for Nino at the name has say. Okay. Chairman Apostle Nyamiche Nymphoni Daha. Chairman of the Church of Pentecost. Nymphoni at the Hase. I see. Okay. The Pentecostal and Charismatic churches. Okay. Pentecostal and Charismatic churches has. Okay. Unya at the Hanum. Nana sa LGBTQI plus. No.
Sa situation bra. A better parliament watch it. A better parliament watch it. Because ne passana enye easy sa. Last me catch us a forces a tire chino. Forces no son. Son papa. Ena say yakoye emrebi won se muaduma nyina hia na wakoye mra na se muaduma no a woye our friends and carnivorous no
omo di mojanam
no se woye mra na se in favor wo mo a samra in favor wo mo a woye in such a way say wo betieti amra ni mu a kopem say ye be ye mra be favor wo and those in support no one other countries no so enti no se me pass bi ana se me sign ama bill na timi aba na se tia me a me bo delay ena me yam yaw o china me koko aka me ho me de ne sa enti ya de ne sa ye ntimi mpasse this year ye ntimi next year ye ntimi Kopem said the next government be take over, either the MPP government breaking the 8 or NDC government breaking the coming back. Say what basanso ye betwe na se de be ye ne se ade no kra ye de bae no niama na wo mu no enye enti ye nkohwe ne ensan enre drafting foforo ne ensan famra ye kwa drafting foforo ne ye de aba na be take 4 years. Yeah, anti adene de be din say betimi apase wo ye krom ha.
Oh, let's ensure two parties are almost equal in parliament, according to Babin. Asemwa walking here, Speaker of Parliament. I'll say, Anke Beye said two parties are almost equal in parliament, and
Sisi Babin Orihu amane eja minority asaugo na pampam no eja na no yedin papa ana esese ano ne freedom ewo ne party ni no ensheda enya yisa ena won so no wode ne kosi so onyaya nanka niam bi akọ wano but yes NDC want to come to power and niam ne bi wo ho a se minority no esi wano kwan wo parliament ya. Now all my man go through a be favor womo enti esese woye enti ono sisi ano why enya na o ka kire man pani say what can asem say president is the lumo say lameo say that bibisa sa word ni hu LAME and a president Abeya no say I'm not
lame duck president. I'm not lame duck president.
Duck president.
Yeah, Nana Japs Babin.
Yes. And look at the situation, you know. And akodu baby say as I say Babin oye obia otinemu oye mrahye bidwam chiame hene no afei wotumi ka ensem bi sei na etia bo mampani na omampani eba beyi ano ache se enye boko e wo parliament ho sa enye bete ma wo mo e wo parliament ho enti bra enye ize Babin for 1 year aka wo ye ni mu no on fa na ize Oh yeah, I'm funny.
Okay, I'm not a lame duck president. No, at the Hanam. My Akuffo reject lame duck tag. Asabi calls for truce in Asantura Drama Field. Sami Jemfi blows cover on lithium deals shareholders. And note how the anchor Edia, but Gihok workers sue MD company over alleged unlawful dismissal. NDC MPP begin a throwbacks campaign on billboard ahead of 2024 elections. 10K tons of Ghana's cocoa smuggled to Togo from Volta and Oti regions. And it's a chronicle at the Aba Ebi Edahasi.
1 year no one see one. Sa cocoa smuggle ne there. Say I took cocoa no so. Yeah dear no high essay Burkina Faso ne mode. And the identity stella sign a smuggle. As a woman crown a sank almost smuggle bahana or baba ye ni nya one day. Me name nature Ghana Hanakasa. Well, young name.
The custodian, the Democrat had LOC to brand Accra for African Games and elect good assembly members for development. Dr. China to voters. Dr. China.
Good assembly members there. You better try. Why you face away you good, you know. You better try. Now over there who know you good. Wo by when you know, oh, and I may say, oh, and I may, oh, and I may.
But now who say a partisan?
A party, both NPP and DC. What they call voter region. Now, say MPP for suppose MPP for him and a bit me winning assembly members you will not get it. You will not get it. Yem patemu hanum say, one why suppose MPP for baby MPP for endorse wo no obi obegina oya MPP ni ewini hands down unless ebia MPP for banu na akọ gina aha say anya ne sade a baby MPP for dose no wo wini ukọ friend say nkura na se asase okọ no mo ne baby a yenuanom anwonafo no edos wo no mo na obeto aba ne bewie no popo ase ne keka ho obeto aba ne bewie no na a friend say dia suppose NDC ni a or contest wo ho no na wa wini enti politics say sisade aka say omampani sanka or beba na nwa ye na ye open no wo ye ne sanka ye we aisa danko dadadwe say nantwibini no soro na wo wese by so ase ne nyama o ya ho hwe nye entimen sesan whatsoever
also check the Rubonka Tado na do na dia ba say MPP NDC hijack assembly elections. Over 90% of candidates are party campaigns.
Yes, and it is true. It is true.
So in Nipa over 66,000. My vie for 337,290 positions. You know, NDC for
NDC MPP and a party be so supporting a candidate with something small, some token be non fankoye nayi. They support them.
I see.
Omo sa street lighty. Omo mom sa street lighty. Omo fanko bobo. Omo hu bibi wo ho ese wa ya. O se o fa ho bejim. No wan sheda akwakoye in the name of the supposed person or bano. No wan akwakoye amano na de. Enti nyaman bebre o ma ya enye won assemblyman na ekwakova na enye one personal sika o. Parties no na emma won sika no wode yesade no etoto sa lights ne ade na ma won so won fan kobobo en wode bobo ne ade DJ fans say me ma ye kra ma ye say me ma ye kra ma ye say
party na ono no say NDC or time or war power no we who says so yes say wo MPP for na war power sisi ameboa ada na omo so ntimi aya twen say bribi sa ebe so answer bribi sa ebe so answer.
That is the politics for you. That is the politics in
it.
That's the politics in it.
Yade. I na me ntiase.
That's the politics in it.
Ghana me ntiase.
That's the politics in it.
Okay. Everything in Ghana here is politics. Ojune ho ya na ANSMP. Hey, asemo. Nana?
Yeah.
And some no doson.
Yeah, abedwafo no so aba.
Abedwafo na ba. Yem fa ensia na.
Na me ye ohima kesewa ase adoso emabunu nyina yemfa seda emom ewo dwumadi a omodi edeboa adoso kroman nti echia wo echia ahemfo ene ahema ewo adoso nyina ena no pay homecoming no more organizing well because we are coming so seriously. Yeah, we are coming. Nti more organizing well ye nyina yebeba nti adoso emrante ene mabawa no pay ye chia mo nyina nyankopon ka mo nyina
okay. Adoso mrantie ne mbabawa anope ye chiamo. Chiamo I hope you say mo ho ye. Anope nsam na koye bebre nana. Yeah, na ye behwe nia ebekoso. But anope eya na ebe ya werɛ ho sɛ obi bedi bronya na bronya na wodi no ne mpabo afa ayeden achia. Uni mpaboa di bedi bronya bronya ne mpaboa ye didi no eye mpaboa bia ye kosi safiri bebia na ye diba o eye mpaboa eye mpaboa shoe fabric fu aye shoe fabric fu mpaboa no won se eye kama edimo anti unye bitoma oba ne kra na wo shoes ho no wo casual wear papa kama ne ade a wono ye hu wadwene be ye se ya brochi nya brochi shoe fabric ni o ma na ye Ghana he ya no mo ye no anti mesraw se utie mi a enye fe na asemiso na me ma me ode metena kam na ode me ko bata ode me abankran no ba beto dabi we de wu Akuapem he ya me pa che we shoe fabric for wo paboa kama obetimi ahye na aye bribia aye kama name wo frame ndra na me nam kwan so ba so I couldn't talk. Yeah, anope shoe fabric for semen kan kire o se ye bribiti se safety boot ebi wo honom military boots wo honom. So for those of you are how do we call it, construction ejuma no mo benye bi mo benye bi mo shoe fabrica ebi wo honom ebo no hu a ma wa commentu yanya wa brochire Ghana here but e sign something your papa na ye nti wadwun be ye say ya brochi dabi say leather no opes leather yeah Jacob be say opes and I saw those who say it's of good quality from Italy and Belgium ne France ne Germany there nti say shoe fabric mpaboa na ye kama odwumekuo bia wo hia mpaboa ama wedwuma efo. Sir, we are filling station, air safety boot, air construction for your safety boot, military, talk of the police or the force work, military, police, prisons, talk of Ghana National Fire Service, and in that vein, one benye be Eddie Amamo. Me pacho anope bombodia so be fresh shoe fabric on 0543 143 553 0543 143 553 ope dudu etu a obenye bi ope sandals a obenye bi ope slippers obenye bi slip on enye na ho ebi ho no a obenye bi nsoso efe me pesa me kan bi chiro an ope se sike ni obotomu a aya na wonsem no okasa currency so but I'm here to let you know and to educate you on this say quick credit for honum say onom beboa no matter the amount that you need say from 1,000 and above they are ever ready to offer you with that help and that lending and quick credit is saying your national ID. Listen to me attentively. National ID. A be kind of Ghana card. A be kind of ECOWAS card. A be kind of odi unye bi now the car. Within a twinkle of an eye, be bo any teteno. Now see cano ego bottom. And a pay unhis kakakradia so jetre, unhis kadia maclara coscu, unhis kadia kotobi be, usike be eba, but unhis can tente when the menu ya fre 0596 920833 0596 920833. Alternatively, on 0302 200 390 0302 200 390. Edu pesa sa yenom me yare abeda ho na mentimi ye me ho hwe 2074 na aboa me mami di ho adanse enchero anti wo behia 2074 ni bi na wanonom wabobo na kire se wa ho odi na wie peye be it say kidney disease, liver disease, heart related infections, lungs infections, eye infection, hepatitis B or C, or high blood pressure or high blood sugar, prostate enlargement, candidiasis, asthma, if you have sickle cells, anemia, chronic cough. What one is encoder me pacho 2074 horom HIV, COVID, fibroid, ulcer, wounds, and I say saya de ye kum ni pe kum Ghana for do ya de ya ye say and you see the yare yes diabetes unya T74 ni bia se kuro bi mpo na etu a ebeko ema ho ato baby etom drobia obura ho no a ubenye bi ato etufo mo mfre 0246 07 3498 024607 3498 Tontina 74 T74 the immune Ford ye wie ni sa no na ye kai se ye bedin komo ba se wuti wiase wo ho na we nya nnapa se bela we nya nnapa ye dum le light na ntontomo hwe no ehuhuro del no betina ha no ma wo hwe nanimu enhwe ada obenya nda papa so ba na nimu ai fe ana ada obekwa aba no so je ne ho to ne se mo se nimu ai fe enti ni na gina mattress a obeda so ana meboa bela mattress na obeda so no aye account mattress bi ho no mo a woda so e kama bi ho no e kama pa Bella. And in the pay Apreku company see and cancel mattress now open wakofa papa edifia manonia ba brochure ediaba nebono edda form anti mattress no that's what a form on say odi enukra ndade o minti epiepie mu that's one na wo ne ade Apreku company semen cancel say kitwa bi ekra no fabra ehumobro ne adoye nti obeje no ama mattress ni bi the mattress no as compared to the others no it's of good quality essentially affordable ebo no wo form a obetimi atobi sa na semen kan mkire mo a mo use Kia Morning, Kia Real, Dawood Mattis, Chevrolet Spark, and I say Kia Bongo 3. So we can so on the engines, honoma engines and so on one a koye or full plane koye or call honum eco toye, ye 2 year with digu kamu, ye deco airport, eco go shipum, ye sign would tia freight, would tia bribi or buy will be a duty wo ye and our diaba and ye or no hair, insure to apitam pay one fabo beto so said the bear moon to binto on one a cofa buyer when in Ghana. Or how are you womb ye seek a 7 to yenye and tia for anti Apreku company say open mattress papa and car engine sababu bi so Kia Morning, Kia Real, Dawood Mattis, Chevrolet Spark, Kia Bongo 3 for 0244 40 30 90 0244 40 30 90 na one no enkasa ano pay me bedin komo na ansa na mekwa akodin komo no me pese me kan asem bi kire asem ma me pese me ka kire wo no asem no twɛn me ba sisi a me ka kire wo bon se wasum ba yaw de me ba magwana sia okay yanko
bet Jessica Coco ewo betway so hitwa wo better or how bien apraye ko season fufu eno ane se wo be ko betway side no so na wenya golden booking code na fetwa wo bet ewo matches a wa hyehyɛ no afei se wo bet bi ase ya yesanso ma 100% ewo free bet mu wo mpe we na wo pede bet ni wanyanse no woni mfie no watwe a enko Gaming Commission of Ghana sasha se nhyehyɛ kakra wo betway get way more.
Hey Selewa then see ye.
Mabena, my shiri me na me enu nyina wo ka akwanhia mu. Mintumi nya me trotro adwuma ni biem. Mabɛyɛ adeso ama mabusua.
Na me dwen sɛ wo dom snet.
Me twere me din, nanso mentua ntoboa no.
Sɛ wotua wo ntoboa na anka sisi a wedi dami. Busumi bia snet bɛma wo sika kopim sɛ wobɛfiri mu.
Eye insurance ubenya adofo ama waboa wo sikasɛm mu. Mreko a wontumi nya adwuma biem. Na mmom, endane ɔhaw enna wonso. Emfa wo ne adwuma a woyɛ. Fa wo dom seed a free snet. Na wo ba wa homegye mu anasa yare bi bɔ a wontumi nya adwuma biem a. Snet betua wo pension. Na sɛ wo free mu nso a, snet betua sika pudu ama wona a wogya wo na chiwe. Eye wodachi Fano personal. Fresh star 711 star 9 hash. Netuya won tobwa. Fresh net was 0302 611 622. Anashishaying Wabe Fontentan Kasian so at Snit Ghana. Snit ye DM washes so Kai sense shake a crowd home.
SSNIT.
Je bedidi debia. Oh, you na ye gentle say. Nwanwa. Wo de hwehwe eja fianko na ekono. Onkuta sekan onkuta so. Wa dress kama. Asen yoko bank no. Oboa. Okwafuom. Nindada. Legacy Crop Improvement Center. Ama kwayo na ye simple. With the way the site asiwura horo. Abesum ha. Esiwefu asewire bi bubundu enyina.
Tenya fe na so kuntane nkrantesem.
Niema horo a wodi dikwadwuma mane koso. Fertilizers ahoro e masase bondo baya poti. Wo baby a wo pakodua e broke out pea soybeans. Seswa esinkuturuku correct insecticides. Se we sprayer aboaboni bi ense wondo bai soda. Legacy Crop Improvement Center. Wait no. Bien ni hobie. With the fracas tractors, planters, harvesters, cleaning and processing machines. Fresher e went to bro. Bagging and storage facility. Drying machines are what the dry grains. I think crowd what the gas dry and kasa become. It to me dry a bro attached with sorghum. Soybeans no fast. Kese. Digital weighing scale. What one kasa one silo kesifu bia. Upesa was store one Dubai Mount and no one could j. Was some with meeting place kesia what the rent. E what Tareso. Kofodia record adults quine sono. Freeway 0257 431 809 and also 0595 263 585 or 0245 929 194. Abe Fontentan Kasian so www.legacycrop.com. Legacy Crop Improvement Center. Ene yebedidi, otna yebedidi, debia yebedidi.
Me pa nene de mi adma miskin say black spots J-Menimbos na me reading so aye basa we jamia rewo any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am glutathione ne collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etie ni na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenhia wamma me ready aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu
Okoman Radio 97.1 FM ye doyetie foye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumaku aworo se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ya ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu
radio Okoman Radio 97.1 97.1 FM is rocking. Oh yeah, blizzard.
Yakuedrego, Ibrogwejo, Momaye Ninanso, Yamfa Groya, Emwa, Yakuedrego, Mine, Ibrogwejo, Momaye Ninanso, Obiara Nyana Famudio, Omaye Benyan Koso, Gana Betu Bono, Omaye Ninanso, Obiara Nyana Famudio, Mine, Omaye Benyan Koso, Gana Betu Bono.
So good. Another beautiful time here. Check with your time of 14 minutes after 8 here. And this is our combined transmission. Our transmission on the powerful frequency 97.1. It is a Monday, 18th day of the 12th month, 2023 in the year of our Lord. Yeah, dream of my Ghana home. Live on YouTube, Okoman Radio. Arabe bedi koma twetwe komo. Watch na nyame atomwa, eje bo. Ejana ba bedru Anape na ya atnwa adwino man ho. Wo dwino man ho. Me dwino man ho. So dey be your my God betu be afare ntoma pa adi efura. Oya sure say wo dwino man ho pa. Ena keta asese ne proye. Ena bone ewuru kasam ewudie kwasu sei. Antu ya sure say wo dwino man ho. Ena wa na mo wa wutue. Oyo man ba pa na. Ano paying komo ho. Yani yewra ansa Daniel. We are sparing member. I watch the Hunter electoral area ewalate. Yebedin komo. Wabano. The campaign team member Francis Efum eka hubi. Campaign manager. Ewe bi owre du frempon ka hubi. Ewe bi wa ha. Papa ena Edmond ba awuku. Edino Ushana, sa unit committee, you know, when you were back up, papa. I do say James 42, or say, Ba Edmond, Awuku, Okombedo, and Sunya. Edmond, at the same. Maybe I walk. Oh, if I say, okay, unit committee. I didn't try myself, okay. By microphone, mammy.
Nipa Hodo.
And
I, Edmond, so no, say, once I have to also know. Now I say, oye na oye ni once a nipa no do ewo mu ne de ntino na ese etuan change ma eno na Chanta electric area ho na ye wo ye ho na ye start eco school na that day ntino yeto na adwuma ntina aye up and down akra but eno kra no every weekend bi aye wo no ntino eno en shedan ye issue but nipa na ye nim area ho no in the name Juma I won my say you know say you say never getting here because as a unit committee member no what I know is you says that you serve as intermediary say the honorable member no you solicit from ideas from the members and as the electorate you know then you channel to your committee now. We channel through the assemblyman I could deliver or council.
So if I understand you perfectly, are you going to serve as a liaison between you and the assembly member, or as a liaison between you, as a liaison between the electorate and the assembly man? But the assemblyman, no, can't he be doing, because this is not any job?
No, the assemblyman, no, the Juma Nankasa, no,
Assemblyman de Nejuma ne say obi akoto yete simi mfichire assemblyman be hwe meyire menyis kambo na kohoma enti kuma ye miwa komo haminu fio no manu assembly member me mfichire fro kra hwefu assembly member say so what are you going to do?
I don't know ye Juma or but yeno and yes say that winning it will come to us before the assembly member will get.
So you work hand in hand with the assembly
very
man,
well. Very well.
The assembly member.
Yes,
I see.
You know, and no yeah, assembly man no crown. I don't know. I say, you're gonna get see more. You say MP. And you know, like on now deliver or certain policies or assembly but say grounds one way your mom you Juma and Gansan or grounds on a unit committee for the
unit committee for
and you know yana ideas and I say problems in the war in Miami I know it me identify na yen a catcher assemblyman no deliver my
I see.
Yes.
Until Uko
Bajoyu, made number 6.
What that number 6?
Bajoyu.
Edmond Pa Awuku. Chinahantai.
Bajoyu.
Uko that number 6. Tien Tomau.
Bajoyu,
what for grounds, what for form, what shall would you say Amanfo no? Are they familiar with you?
Very well.
Sir.
Yes.
To Ombeto Amau.
You, Ombeto Amau.
Then a man wouldn't GDS Ombeto Amau.
Okay, on say GDN there, on say industry grounds. Now, Osha, your friend, information bar. I'm already familiar with the people already. And Juma no so if you know what you are about, so when no more problem, and the insurance issue.
Only one more problem now. One solve my one more. You have done nothing.
And I won't say knowing the problem. No, is one aspect.
And solving the problem is another
aspect. You know the problem no is one way. I say have known or have a problem known is have solved. Yes. You know, say do say do Ntiaka
when I see people vying for the position, I just feel say imagine say nipa ni hwe and na nipa person ko yes sa na won ko yana
Debbie say wo hwe me write up amede me a friend me we na say service to the people.
Okay.
You know, service to the people, you know, is based on the issues and the people will be telling you what they are saying. And that based on that, the issues, you know, is what you are going to stand on it and champion it. But then I'm going to say, and you know, for example, say you say your toilet issue, your friend in so issue now that there, those ways in and you find ways and means those issues will be solved.
Okay.
And you know,
may I say. And you also that's number 6.
Bajoyu number 6.
Edmond Ba Auku.
Bajoyu.
Chilahanta in electoral area. Ochina.
Nyamya do ochina.
Yekotuaba. Yekotuama. Okay. There was a question I want to ask before I'll take leave of you. Why are you in support? And I will support Daniel. Answer.
Yes, no fruit yapano.
Na se onyam frudia bia
so ye
enu ane doso ye wo dum ye wo wawa ye wo fram ye wo pron ye wo chenchen ye wo kwitramfo enu aba na wuke ye wo nyina ho
o se me da so say o se make I say wo frudia pa and the pa say wa bo bebre na so ye duapa o duapa no say ye ka oduma and I say redwood embra Daniel answer one of the doom and I remember say Diana different odum no I wo aspirant ni nyina mu
okay
you know say you ninta metan the chimpa and say is a selfless
until you this obetimi aye adwuma no ye toma no obetimi aye okay me that say name ready friend campaign manager etisan
your boss
when I will share Daniel, you know, you need doidium, co.
And this was a humanity, Unhuni papa, why ready so be a humana, as I what tiny no dear.
But when I when you're ready, what to tell posters now, dear, you know, maybe 2 be all at it.
You Namu dreaming is I was safe,
and I wish I know ye.
Oh, there be, sir. And yen santi sebio assembly elections no say opeso som nipa na e wo say onyamre a wo de be som nipa no and say okoye adibia ene wadwuma bi ene bi be conflicted intino I was say and once you name be any wadwuma be conflicted so that you can serve the good people well. Intino say worry who baby na we say and you are not available to serve the people there, then why should you contest? Yes, it is not just about say the vote. Me, I believe in myself. Say I have served my people well, and I will continue to serve them. So, but you continue to serve them. No, it's not just about the position, but it is about say you are always available. Anything I may step it down, but all the same, the other. Looking at the three aspirants, I think Daniel Ansan stands tall. Amongst all the three. Until I made throw me weight to support Mr. Ansan.
Okay, and until I would throw weight to support him. You see, there are three people contesting.
Yeah.
And I believe they are one way now that vicinity, that electoral area. And they are vying for the same position. Edmond Kasa because ufu diapa any APR. Daniel Wakwada.
Them on last 4 years will show interest. Say Obeko, but Oshe senya na eguru no kono na onuaka say oberedro.
Okwa enye.
So this time around, once ejumani eba be yende bi make am say it's about teamwork. If all for position, now you have the good people around you who advises you what to do and then give you proposals and good proposals. So he was a member of my team who were working Mr. Timmy Jenny. So anything that one man contest, so me decided say me nko no what team anymore or believing in the philosophies and policies now no society. You wear my shoes and then take up so that near was say maybe because of time now didn't to be or no barbecue so through me now cat team no near pushing na ejuma pie was say yeah much akoso. So this is not just about an individual something, but it's a team you put it together.
It's a collective something.
Yes.
Wonderful. Danny boy, at you say Bibia Boko. Bibia Dedin
Boko.
Danny
boss.
Sisi out to him bisa say you are oko ekojina e wochira hantan. Nyame admo na ye to aba. Time now the be no yes sure say time no eswadodo 1 month.
Me pacho there be.
Time ni okay ma.
Okay.
Until fu say befa.
Afawie.
Danny bisa say vision when you adi hunu pa ne say asem na obeka kire me.
Me vision ene mani so adi hunu say me gidi say kira hantan. Ye wo problem be ye mienu ne me ensa. Fan say bia first of all, me fan say your toilet is Nyame adom. A good team na me won intino. You go so yes solve se see Nyame adom contractor no go toilet no so den. Efa ensuo asem so Nyame adom eno so you go so ye solve ensuo no. Ye lighting system Nyame adom you go so ye solve. Na ne vision ankasa titru pa ejina ye mpotem ho enkwala bi obewie school na obehwe no ebi wo hɔ na emmoa awofo no bi wo hɔ sebe emmoa no ɛwɔ fam no kre ena me team work me wo ene me unit committee me fan say information a me nya ye 54 years na nka me pese me kɔ no me dem aso tutu fam no me hu say eno ne big problem me fan say ɛwɔ kyerɛ hantan pa
no o say problem no one ye dey
1 toilet
okay
2 ensuo
yes. Muni nsuo ho.
Yeni nsuo.
Muni nsuo ochira hantan.
Me pacho an.
Nti musa nsuo ho, hemu ye de nya nsuo.
Nyame adom presby ben ye ne presby me fa say ingresi e share bundle. Nti obi te me fa say me area.
This okɔ nsuo.
This okɔ nsuo feed presby hoswa de ko emuwa.
Nti Barima honorable Barima nasonte.
Naswate. Na Nyame adom watu hwana mo
sa
dacho watu hwana mo
ono onim sa metiti ne me ha ntimi frɛ na onfa o
bre
enye bre but ndro ade ofa no wa so dem
yeah
ndro ofa
ne ndwuma no dɔɔso
no I say that be. Mo radio so gone far. Hey, MC. Yes, send come radio so that time and drank a fa. No cray. Ewe be ya no mame na me enti sisi ano. The assembly is aware say this is the problem. Aye wo your toilet facility basa e hand time. And so some enye and fortunately for me me plan Ghana for bedin komo head of HIV ne ye from say oh ejuma ya na me ma me ye bi kra social welfare for na de ye bedin komo na no pay so say no man be say obi o ho no mo a ma me ne papa de na be wi ase but ni hwe mu aye den you as and let me use this in quotes, excuse my word, as an ordinary assembly member, because I know what may be any Moko setina bakubi ya mamu 74 cities bakubi nso mokwa ya mamu 100 cities enti sika bai na wo benya wo de ba be yesi akwa obi
me pacho enye me sika
na wan sika
na nyame adom ewiase se oti ho na tumi bia enni wachi a in fact ukọ obi anim a wo ye tra
okay
yes na esa na good team a mikuta enti no me won penefo bebre a sebe wo de ebisade ekoto omo animu a esa na tumi a wo kuta na se team papa na se penefo a edi wachi no wo de adesede koto omo animu a me gidi se nyame bayi wadom na emwa bi etumi afri ho aba na ye nuanom ketwa sebe omo pebra pa abono sebe obi wo ho a adwumesua bibi kakra bi a wo betumi de eso na sen obi wo ho a school opese otoa na school so at least ye be hwe okwan a ye betumi team ni nyina betumi aboa na enkwala no a omu hia sa emboa no yetumi ede aboa omo.
You've outlined 3 major problems, that is toilet facilities, water, and the other one taking care, talk of welfare of the children in the electoral area. Me pese me biso ase mohonom no sanitation saying
sanitation nyame adom eye
sanitation okay
sanitation eye me gidi say Akuapem for de nyame adom ahonidi de eye nanso no aka kakra a ye betumi aye abu atoa so ama ne nyina etumi awie peye.
I see. Ma yentwa yeni na yenhwe. I know say there are those who are physically challenged one potem honum obi ne nan obi ne ni obi na so. Do you have any plans for them?
No plans papa.
A bit to say
na medical cancer say what wanna say to me bia endi wachi a me fi say oye umu ha enti adwen a team no afa ne say sa problem na e wo ho no ye be pempenifo na yakohu doctors bi e de adesede akoto o manim na te se ne NGO sema wo kan na ya hwese bi a ebenya hweche bi ne mmoa bi a ebefi impenifo ho na yetumi de aboa sa tibia na wo kira hantan erector area.
I see. Already different pon campaign manager o can say odi be best one o can so
oh yo Kaakyire and Dino Mr. Appea Kaakyire
and how dey frame Appea Apreku and frame o we do
Mr. Rudy adwuma ne de yeguso me ne me team say na kan no say me start kan no say teamwork adwuma no nyansa ni obakofo team intini say be one onipa ne nam na you have diverse opinions mokabo mama adwina mo be fa no ACP yes chantan ten okan yen toilet nsem yidi yehu say chantan a major problem bako ye toilet in the beginning of this year no na ye started the ho akwana by team no call ye toilet say see ya ebedu be bi no now say adinu mo yedin ti ekoya na say through this team which is being led by Yembra Daniel Ansano. They say the toilet facility na eka egusu ane omore. Now it is through sebi obi yade osayi obi bua na oya osayi your toilet is ni bi koma Vodafone Ghana sebi omo walate ompu walate for years now, no, we've not seen their contribution towards our social welfare.
It poses a threat.
Yes.
On the lives of the people because there was a radiation.
Yes. So we wrote to them.
That's why yes.
Baby, so it was just a reminder to them, say the poor, no, at least corporate social responsibility, and so we wrote to them, and then they said, as at that time they exhausted their budget, so they will come in next year and know the way to. So number of letters are also being Yensunu. So okay, honorable MC he has done very fantastic. Charlie, as a part second. The cotton and Nimno, Chanta, Honor Matete, or try BB at Yensunu, so or Boya, yes, you do with time, in soon so will be operationalized. Now, you solve that problem. But in terms of the youth empowerment, now you can number one problem, you can say resolve. The team is doing it. But let's look at how we can empower the youth, how to raise resources. That is number one thing that we are supposed to talk about it. Because you see the problem and don't talk about how to solve your waste. It's we feel like what they are bringing, you raise revenue. There will be proper monitoring of this water. The revenue that will be raised through this thing, you be accounts near the scale kogum. Kakrana ebe after maintenance, electricity, at least some sort of profit kakra. These are internal generated funds. I be you to know. Obi onam. Sebi owonyans or person ibi. But farm economy. So when we get all these monies, we will identify those guys, then we will give them, use these monies to support them. Say school no person cool, say human no person they are supporting no the senior so accountability every quarter you account to the people, say this is the money we have been able to realize in our account, so that we also select for their ideas now. Senior nafa. And a Jumane de Senekano, ya started it out. You go see yere and Yakupon Domino, some my akunya na. Say Yakupon Domo my akunya na, ibit me aye. Na, you go see a case no. Sana Okano. Trantai ye area beer. They be make us a personal project. It's just a personal project. Ye mubinya far to yan say until Chanta survive, we will not sleep. That is why I said you make us mean kubi man koda na among the three make us know this is the candidate obetumi ayejumano, the selfless and competent candidate obetumi lead the people of Chanta. That is why me throw me weight behind Daniel Asa other number 3 say uncle nonko ya adwuma no yefa team no support no na se na yen toilet ne yakoi ebetime wie toilet ne ntem se na insui de awie, so that we will continue to pressure Vodafone for the Vodafone yen toilet ne de honorable Samuel Eko ayen adom wetie aye toilet no. But we have one thing na yedwi mrewafo no ho, mrewafo no most especially mrewafo no se baby a toilet ne wo no abrewe bi se bi obesore finifi akaso ba kodu toilet no no Yakupon anya na adoma na sebio wanimu na.
Why don't you come out with it? Meaning say there was Biribi Koso and I happen to be the MC in Ashanti region and some parts in Accra. Say one household, one toilet.
No, that is what I'm coming to talk about. So Vodafone phone, so we are trying to divert. Say toilet so now you are trying to divert the attention from the system to the area. So that biodigester now that is what we want to do. So in your best at 10 even from Vodafone Ghana Accra now, what we will do is that houses need be well bang into biodigester toilet balcony in the house now all of them will connect into the biodigester. We will not just give yen to me for obia, but you better identify houses now and rafune a woman into a one if you at any own convenience now what to me is on your challenges be. So we are also thinking about the aged. Then the next thing we are supposed to do is about the health insurance. It is good, baby, just look for opportunities. ye jina se siane waka wo say plan Ghana for ba idea ye was say you will take this opportunity, you will engage them and try to sell Charantine to them and let them know say
and plan Ghana for number hand ka monye
that is leadership. That is leadership. Yes, that is leadership.
But
you take advantage.
Plan Ghana any anu a.
Yeah.
And ka monye ready say mo ko ho.
Ye be ko ho, but ye be to on hand. Say would for mom te be ni ko ho nchen yo. Ti would for ni ye be to plan Ghana, we will take the opportunity. That is leadership. You have to you are supposed to be ready. So when you see the opportunity, you grab it. So plan Ghana for they should be ready for us. We are going to work with them.
They should be ready for you.
We are ready for them. We are ready.
You are going to
worry them.
So
worry them.
Over Tranta, Obiani Oxy, only painful Kasa for Biani Mimidia or from your Oxy. I worry a lot when I need something for the good people now. Sabi, I'm always on you, giving you reminders, writing letters, giving you good proposals they need. You told to Sabi, you took videos, it is an eyesore, very bad. We took all those pictures, we put them together, and we sent to the appropriate people, and they saw the need to come and help us. And then through Honorable Samiaku and the Miami boss, Mane Mensa Bosu, they saw all these things, and then it is being done. For the good people of Charantine. The MC2 has given us good drinking water. They are feeding. It's very in the center of Charantine. So we are going to work and work it. This is a teamwork. And yet about Mr. Ansa only. But they will make us say, oh yeah, as a leader, and you do have good advisors, you do have good team, you have no baby. Okay. So yes, until we are leader and I say, oh, good team, almost 2 4, almost children near me. Yes. Even at times, say what a chiakra, what also. But say we are uncle now chiakra. Nobody would boss until this is what we are going to do. Periodic meetings, every quarter biano. We work with the unit committee. Now every quarter biano, be meeting. I watch time. Yen paying for our more time, Mr. Jankungwai. Fantastic manner, Ichiano. Very supportive in whatever we do. Ichiano now or best supporting all those periodic meetings. Now message be baby, you make sure say assembly there. This is what we intend to do for the Charantine. A personal project. The among the 3 candidates, he stands tall and then he's ready to do this work.
All right. Me ko bi na man ke bi aya nan but before I make call Francis honom no Edmond open so ka bibi.
Yes. Now person we can say is about the education about this assembly election. And you know, and then your call rounds you identify 1 or 2 issues here. The interest are people. And as the electorate no benya koto abano what this assembly election is very low because this time around ground I start working day now say I say no cry and you know what I'm entreating the electorate is yesterday they should come out with their numbers and vote because in your call rounds we met woman be as a so like you know young for the but don't only me but now upon identify introduce and like she got to know us.
Okay.
And I don't know what to say. Election, the assembly election don't to be that. On to be that, but general election, the other election they want to be bad. Assembly election they on to be that, but upon the education the way they man on you know say uncle go money, but uncle. Nyamia duma obe train what to aba. Okay. You know yesterday. In
fact, I was Mr. Solomon. Oh yeah, EC director. Hano Akuapem North Municipality or more kind of saying ANC no. Yeah. He was supposed to be here today, but my name say Ochna program no honor elections need to why so busy on my he's supposed to be here. He's on the bill and he's to come. We need to talk to him. Maybe in the course of the day, whatever, and anybody think of so now, but
I want to say something. But what did just few? me bra ha yenya nedwuma pa, but I'm using this platform so to talk to the people when say the game na you play they should go beyond relationships. Na omonhwe nipa na or you're competent to lead them. Nipa na or good team no. Inti make kan kwesi say me bra GRC do or ready. Ono so that number 1. He's a very fantastic guy. Ono so Juma no go so only they much particular about accountability because there are situations whereby we have certain internally generated funds be ready honor you. How can a project which has been donated by National Petroleum Authority, then somebody claims and the personal project, obey you so to benefit himself? A project donated by National Petroleum Authority.
Project better.
You are autumn ma a ready mine. So we were thinking, say, Anka Sasike be Ukraina, Anka Fabwa a ready mine. But that money goes to individual pocket or Muyusu, which is not fine. And get me, this same money can be channeled into youth empowerment.
But if Sanya Wuke, if no crese will miss idea, say, yeah, there any more mind, they send Papa Akuffo to Memphis.
That is why.
So why have you sat down till now?
We've engaged Honorable Barima Esidu on these things, and then Honorable Barima Esidu has assured us the proper thing will be done very soon. But
will be done.
Yes, he assured us. Yes, so he said we told me we are RTI law, so we will write formally to him. So first stage, we went to one-on-one, saying because not church. So if with time now 1 year, we will still use that law, so that you give us the necessary information about the water. It is very bad. It is very bad. So some of us, we were talking against it, and then it seems, Charlie, we don't want to talk about water, National Petroleum Authority. Then what you are telling the old people when they say, "Ukotokum now or the year." But the question, "Who Ukotokum scan the year is sooner?" Why do you write donated by National Petroleum Authority? That's the question. Also,
but have you found out?
Yes, we found out. I have pictures on my phone here. I can really.
And your picture near the anymore. National Petroleum Authority on Okoman Kasa.
Yes, we've spoken to them.
And what are they saying?
The National Petroleum Authority, when we spoke to them, we said they are busy.
If it is their project,
yes,
it's a say woman kratem.
Yes, it is.
It has to be documented.
Yeah,
they must have documents.
Yes, MC say. He has all the documents, and then he would release the documents to us. But it seems you're also busy schedules. No,
but the proper thing must be done.
Yes.
At the right time.
So that's why I'm using your medium to educate the people, to tell them that even the accountability, it's not about the head, Akuffo, Mahama, and those things. We demand accountability from them, but the accountability and transparency must start from us. Look at people. So if you yourself, you don't account to the people, how can you go and tell somebody to account?
I can read different power. Mami, call Francis. Francois Aboko there. As a campaign member. Yes. Oh, campaign no. And then SEO. And now it's not a paying number campaign.
David. But and then the BBA.
And then movie BBA.
Yes, opinion Garia now you see us. Opinion for ye Gary into BI and who are better to have a Gary.
I think campaign it was a Francois.
Osha Charantine dear a project Cassia and I so. Ye womb. In fact, Charantine yet not Charantine watch yena or how no bar a cayena. Mpanyinfo abakọ yato aba yehu so mfa so bi aye enti no ye ayafa ato yen ho sese e wo se ye gina na ye ma Charantine se bio enhwe ase enti no ye hwehwe mu no so no ye de ye nwura honorable Daniansa egina ho se ochena Charantine fo nyina piemra opanyin se wo hwe mu a anka abatu wei ne abatu e wo sanko biato awo Ghana ha nso no na ye koto a obi a mpese obepie obi a mpese obeba no abeto aba no because yen ne ne mote bronu nimu a ohaw no ekan wa ekan yen enti no se otoman a yen ye betumi nso akoka ho asempa ye pia impanyimfo nan no metuma aba be solve issues na man but e ba sa aba to no mo a na yate ada adentia ye pa obia chew ewo Chirantan so ochena anopa yesrem working day there but obia mbo no ho mode no piemra no meto aba no ema honorable Daniel Ansa na matre.
Okay.
Ono
Daniel da number 3 ho.
Spa pepe. Ase o se wa unim se bibia ye bia no. Me se eduane a me pepa no pa ye wache. Me kona ase asakra na ha me.
Kanzo.
Aha, nti ma me no we hu se ade we papa we ase ne de
o pepa. No me ase ope.
Sa ho na na ma ebubu ni ade nyina hye. Nti no mo kwa montoma honorable Daniel Ansa.
Enkwayase. Eburase. Ni na kowie mu kase.
Odana matre ti montoma no. Adwuma pa na ya hyehye egu akwan mu si e ba be ye no. Se bio ye mba e krampo ye no. Edi adanse wo broni nim. Obi enu ho obetuma akọ brono no so akọ se nsema ya kin kontompo.
Okay.
Enu wo ho bibia wo ho electricity yegusu fixe.
Hey, na ya beto abe endra na jo na me hu se Amanfo ball light near the street lights near the idea. Mo ho so ma ye bibi sa ho.
Yen yan kasa. Ye started ade away from last month. But unze ye beto aba no. Obi be ka se ye beto aba nti na ma kofa light bi na mode be hihya man da bi da. Ejuma we ye start yen obi o te Chirantan bi anim se enye enra ne ene ya sha saade ya se ya sha se musumi mienu kura akire aye gusu ayeye impo ye nto abaye nti no se moto abaye man ya ye wogidie ni mpemfo eta yen echi se bebre nam kwan so ba.
Okay.
Bebre nam kwan so ba.
All right.
Nti no ye mbo yen ho mode no chena ye nkonto ma honorable Daniel Ansa oda number 3.
Daniel Ansa oda number 3. Nia Francois Eka efum ose ochina ye mbo ye ho mode ne ye nkonto ma o. Chira hantan fo yina nkonto aba ne ma o. Me ma wakwenya just ye campaign. Me wakwenya for 5 minutes for your campaign. Na ye nkoba before that no. We as a brand new Mr. Ansa all the way. Alvin Jonathan Saki, Joe Alvin. I say you are indeed doing very well. And Brandy, I guess, well spoken, Mr. Frimpong. This one says that my name is Samuel K. Boate Boy, and this is for any brofo. I don't know where that one is coming from. This one says, Don Lexis, Oxy, do your campaign for your candidate, leave that guy alone. Okay. And also, no, I think it's going for you, Oxy. This one says, Alex, is it Saki? Kofi NDC from Yensiso. Is the name correct? Yensiso? Akropong-Akuapem. Good morning to you all. May I take this opportunity to wish all the assembly, those aspirant, well, especially Kwamoso electoral area in the Akropong-Akuapem. I think that's all that I have. We are live now. We are live on Facebook. At the Facebook one over me at the upper, yeah, Mr. Ansa all the way 100%. Okay, it is here. Yeah, Facebook. Alvin Jonathan Saki, Joe Alvin. Thank you. On also the Nadia Abba. See, I did doing great. Well spoken, Mr. Frimpong. I clap for you. Bone same mouth. My briefly, no, I'm giving the opportunity to talk to your people. My name Kasa Peseoka. Se opese okala to se opese okatch you. I'm giving you 5 minutes campaign.
Yo, me dase. Me gidi se me chiachra hantan fu nyina ebiem. Na papa dia me kan se sebe ote bronu bi so na wo mpanefo bi etai wachi a me gidi se okono enhyeda enye din bebre. Me hwe chra hantan a me wo nana opare tachi the second ewo me mechi me wo nana Kofi Amoakon osi ahene ewo mechi me wo nana enyina adwunantwi ewo mechi chira hantan eye ye hwelata chira hantan ye baby cute kakra bi fan say hospital the center of the town hospital eshemase police station eshemase nyame adom eho MC ekra so ewo mempeso aso enti Chirantan ye proud be brave na nyame kakra me pese me ka kire Chirantan for ne say ye hawo no ɛyɛ ɔhaw titiriw a ɛha kyerɛhantan no a nyame adom yɛgu so a yɛyɛ no mesrɛ team a ɛdi m'anim a ɔmo ɛkɔlɔbe ɛyɛ yɛ toilet sɛm ne memfa ne sɛ yɛnsuo sɛm ɛfa nkwalaa sɛm no ne nyinaa yɛgu so a yɛyɛ nti ɔmo mmɔden amfa tumi ne ɛnhyɛ me nsa na yɛwɔ bebree a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ɛde ama kyerɛhantan mehwɛ yɛ hospital no nokware nyame ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ asɛm nokware ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a mepɛ sɛ mede bibi asɛm bi ato dwa nanso ɛho hia me ɛbɛbɔ bɛyɛ 6 to 7 nokware na ɔmo apɔn madwene ho a mente ase na menni tumi a mɛtumi de ahwehwɛ mu ɛho nie nti a saa deɛ no ɛkɔ so bibi ketewa bi obi wɔ hɔ a bi a ne yafunu kakra bi wobɛdu wɔ bɛyɛ 7 o'clock yɛsɛ kɔma mpɔn nokware ebia wohwɛ nipa no nso sɛbe ne dignity ne situation na sɛ ɔkɔ saa time na sɛ ɔkɔ rent ɔkɔ high car anaasɛ ɔkɔfa dropping ne honoma in fact ɛha adwene bebree nti nyame adom no sɛ kyerɛhantanfoɔ de tumi no ɛhyɛ me nsa a mpanimfoɔ a ana authorities a ɛwɔ kyerɛhantan hɔ no yɛbɛkɔ akɔhu ɔmo na yɛakɔ doctor no anaasɛ mpanimfoɔ a ɛhwɛ hospital no so no akɔbisa ɔmo haw ne nti a ɔmo ntumi ɛnyɛ adwuma no ɛnkɔ anim anaasɛ ɔmo ntumi nwura ne 24 hours no yes ɛhɔ de ehia me papa because na nsɛn ya me ba baako ɔwɔ car no ekodu hɔ around 7 o'clock na ɔmo apɔn na wɔsɛ
ɔwɔ car no
me patcho yo baby a me wɔ no me fa ne sɛ yɛwɔ
mo bɛ nwura mu kakra
nwura ano kakra yɛwɔ down doctor no dan no akyi ɛhɔ na me fie ɛwɔ na abɔfra no epie sɛ ɔwɔ sɛ ɔkɔ
but are you okay there
onyame adom ɔyɛ me patcho yo onyame adom ne ho atɔ no a sisi a oguso a ɔyɛ ne national service kura ɛwɔ education office nti ɛhɔ no ɛyɛ me how kɛse paa sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ because doctor no yɛsi dan ama no wɔ hɔ nurses for no so ɛwɔ ɔmo dan nti menim ne nti a ɛbɛbɛ
7 ɛbɛtumi aba sɛ they don't have the gadgets to work 24/7 ɛbɛtumi aba sɛ more lab wɔ hɔ more laboratory ni hɔ more scanning machines more x-ray machines more ebi anoma bi ni hɔ
I think we before the last time I checked they brought maybe by so but as at now we don't know the reasons so this is why we want to engage them and find out why now you provide but maybe I can be but I'm busy can say unit committees and so I'll be no between aye jumano intino unit committee for the day honorable Paco Asamoah Buedu they are number 5 yehwe na ono so yamboa no a very fantastic guy obalata obopa ko bia nim no obetumi aye adwuma no ti yehwe na yento abanema honorable Asamoah Buedu number 5 pako bia nim no to pe na akwa no ato abanama no ye wo ye sister Janet e wo Kyerɛhantan oba ba ko pe ya santoa ba ko pe oginamufu a sister Janet fantastic ono adwuma oye no se na oboabo emana no wo Kyerɛhantan ye de ye adwuma no untumi yi no nto nkyene ti no yento abanoma sister Janet ye bre adu so wo ho di ono so ye nhwe no na yento abano so ma ye bre adwuma no adu di no me da se pa say
okay what I want to do now is to give each and every one of you starting with Francis Efum say onchia nipa ba komienu na yenko briefly shortly.
Okay, open me that sepa. In fact,
that your mema wakwenya say a campaign 1 year campaign. They do so. I mean, I will not give you that opportunity again. Okay.
We dey yen na yensa da yensa yim.
A brain ho.
So man kakra.
A brain ho. François Kasa na yenko.
Okay. The edi kan ye kira kroma nyina late Akuapem. The fi won so no ye san chia Kyerɛhantan for nyina ye mamo achen. Echia Mr. Ajenfra ono so ye pillar baako a ogina ye chipa o my directions ne efutuo kakra ye de ye adwuma echia Mr. Ajenfra that's it.
Okay, menso me that's it. Campaign manager. Yeah, Oxy.
Yeah. Me de me in chair the campaign me chocho mucho. Meyere on no dekan bibia meye bia no without her support.
That is good.
Yeah, without her support, emfa.
That is good.
Emfa and pay me sorry, so to me for. Ozi we ko radio si Okoman Kasa yi na sena akusu adako a.
Woni a bi andra anajo wo ye. Whether ya is here woni a wo ye he say we do for so that she can preserve you for herself.
Okay. Na odi won so ye adweje bia jale my mother on the bia no me do baby ha no kan no adweje bia no na sabio watimi ahweme abedu sambi me papa so ho chantan for the special one me braka chantan but chantan for the ye won penfu bebiri wo chantan wotan anchi nkongwa hene osia hene dwantwi busia penyam akon sisi mame Julie apapulu sister coast symmetress Linda Charlie Linda Kaakyire and then notwithstanding so no young opponent fantastic greetings goes to them Christian Mante Honorable Christian Manti Chiao, we are fantastic. Obia one your bet to me aye. Nti enye radio so na me junior brother Kingsley also Ichiano. We are goria in be kabum na chanta na ye.
Sisi ade ma dismantle mo.
Oh say obiati as say because obia na person wini nti wie dia fantastic Kingsley no de ono de onua onim say me nua ketua na London Christian so me bra penya. We all sit together, we all eat, we do everything together. But me and Mengu say among them, Mr. Daniel Ansada na matrone fantastic.
Okay.
Me da sense so.
Me da se ma membra wo ho no mansa mako Daniel ho. Chia ni pe bi na yenko. O se o chana number say?
Me da number 6.
Number 6. You need committee. Odini e
Edmond Ekuban.
Edmond Ekuku. Okay.
Na Paco Suda number 5.
Paco Suda number 5. Paco need to na woti anu ye advert amano. Aya de ekwe.
Neri Ganguchia me papa. No bia friend ni teacher Nkatekwan.
Teacher Nkatekwan.
Fantastic leader. Only your friend coordinator Chantal Electra.
Oh, okay.
You know, okay teacher Nkatekwan on Akuffo krado
okay mate
ina inform mo Chantal nyina ina me campaign team
okay
you know you be ase
okay yeah finally D Danny boy
boss
Asasa Apreku
yes sir
minim batebrena so Ochina Oko Oda number saying
me number 3
number 3 represented God the Father the Son the Holy Spirit.
Yes.
3 represent the power and strength.
Yes
it also represent the Holy Spirit, and if it falls within the will of God, may it be so. Me I always say onyame pe and then Yehovah be abrabum.
Amen.
Sana memi hono mema wonso akwenya sima ba akomi enuntem onso chia ebusu afo
me da se so me chia me yere Mrs Cynthia Ansa oko SDA me sai me chia ebusu apeni Kofi Idwunantwi ene nana opare tachi the second eye aka Eja oba kira hantan a obia frɛ no Eja me chia na papa ene me campaign team e ma odikan sisi mame Linda sister Aku ene ne dom nyina yechia obi bia afi me boss Ajingo Mr. Ajingo me chia na papa wa hype me bebre ene abusuafo a edin no dɔɔso yentumi mobɔ omo nyina di na ne ameka ne sɛ ewiase mo no ade bia eda ase no me gidi sɛ ede papa na yɛse opani dware wia na asamasa enu nti ena omo hwɛ ya me a me yɛ pani no
e bi wase nya ohu bi da ho
ase de me a me tuwe de me ngoro ase ho kra yes na opani dware wia na asamasa e kyerɛ sɛ enu nti na yɛde nipa mienu no ekoto soro no mo hwɛ a omo hu sɛ no omo keka opani na odase no okasa wia na asema santi me pamo chew se mo kwa mamo hwe soro ho de bibie ni ho mfimfini ho bibie ni ho momode ana mo ntomo ani mo hwe ase even asase ayeti sukra no eda ase boko enti kira hantafo Moamunia Daniel Ansa, aka Joe Ansa, Mr. Bebre, Momo Diana, Monto Abano and Famame, Medamas.
Yansu Yadamwase, Maba Kasa, and Bema Cobra, no more say for. Go and do the needful. Yadamwase, say Maba. Target me name, no, many times target. So I was on campaign manager, Auntie, and only Asemano. Ziggy, yes, Ziggy, Ziggy, I BBA, on not DBA ko Facebook, on not DBA, and Musha Brantin anymore. Nani assassin way and 1 year. Ah, Ziggy, now pa, or Hannah catch us all 1 year. Yes, Yadamwase. Hey, number 6. Mate Kasa. Nyamishramo.
Asieho.
Oh, yeah, number 3. Where number 6? And Apreku number 5. Okay. Well, to God be the glory, great thing that He has done. And the pay back on the near Solomon and Gaga Archichin Komo. Oh, yeah, issue director, Akuapem North Municipal Assembly. Now, on also near Becano, she say to Toye, no more Diego Aquamayeno, Nina, so ye home. But I pay my main come for general company information. Legacy Crop Investment Center. Legacy Crop Investment Center. Pacho se utie mi ne we kwieni we hia enyoma dia ye kwia se de be ya kwia yo no ebeko so a meka we say Legacy Group Investment Center for a private owned seed company registered in Ghana in the month of April 2015. Na we share ne dia say November 2015. Na wo bwe kwia fo ama akanka mo amudua ebro Ebrono, your legacy 26, and yellow corn, Nibisana Dodona, Efreno, yellow maize nibi, with grain yield of 8 tons, 80 bags of 100 kg per hectare. Now, Massa, and ya better as how. So say, Ubenya, Brenya, Broma, Bronukure Buswamao, legacy 2, no, a white maize. Ebrofufu nibi. And no, with a yield of 9 tons per hectare. Well, and your legacy 17 white maize also with a grain yield of 10 tons per hectare. And teachers say, "Unyane legacy crop improvement center for Edin Koma. O babe do budenya nyoma bebre. Bibia ye die kwayo ekos no mo obi. Omo eba no se ombetu fu a consultancy wono mo ho, eba no brokerage services wono mo ho, working agro shop abenya fertilizer, herbicide, insecticide, seeds, watering cans in the cake, and who be cold storage facility for seeds, a bio honoma, warehousing for grains, a bio drying equipment, both solar and LPG dryers in Nana, Legacy Group Improvement Center for a horse on Brebwell. Mr. Dawson, say, Ukuayono Ekoswa Frewon 0245 92 91 94 0245 92 91 94. And I pay your back up. Na ya ne yewura solo akodi nkomo.
Dankwa.
Yes, nya dankwa. Nya dankwa Papa Solo. Angaga machi
97.1
ya wamfanto wa ma ho. Okay.
97.1. Okoman.
Papa Solo. Eja Solo.
Yeah.
Papa Solo utimenka. Eja Solomon. Okay. Eja Solomon otemenka. Papa Solomon, okay, Bella she na onenenkasa ose owo why. Enti efe no mo fanto 97.1 emani. Na kese odi ato da. Yenko Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Eno no ewo Mampon Akuapem maka kireo. Eho no na se ubeye yie, se ubeye refreshment, ubeye engagement, ubeye wedding. Wonom ewo very spacious car park. Wonom ewo guest house. Oda ho no breakfast in bed. Bibia opebia no local dishes and continental dishes ubenye bi edi. Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center semen kan kireo se fresh 0555 29 1814 0555 29 1814 and 0243 277 576. Kai hunu say Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Eho ye di adwuma bia eho eye very spacious. Papa Solomon, match here.
Yes. Yes, the opening.
Wamo do radio now to 97.1 amount.
Yes, sir.
Until see ade mekasa wote.
I met to declare.
The roba dia say Onyame ya domo a ochina na ye kwa akoto assembly members any unit committee members abey wadawroma ewo Akuapem North Municipal Assembly ha and Akuapem North Municipal hanomi wakwa akoye kwankyerefo pani a woda abato adwumeku omo hwe abato so ano no ade ahyehye na modi egu akwemo education bi ohonoma apesa odi mayen na no pay odi ma the public make publics are both those aspirants ene yenuma yen so be kwa akoto aba no
yo openye me na was papa na me da what here for this yo ayo china 19th December 2023 this level election ababaso na preparation na ya intact as I'm speaking no me original me pick ballot papers aba and say so ya you platform mountain ya you training of temporary staff na ni na ya session na nyina nyame adoma ochano ababaso from 7 to 5 chana etino pepe ni ya pese atiefo no chene se ochana nyina MP na yankoto this level elections no na like na Akuapem North there were 145 polling stations 32 electoral areas many now contested because they are contested 32 electoral areas in there were 105 for this and there are 107 contestants across 32 electoral areas no. That's a unit so there were 286 units so contested all the 32 electoral areas. And me fa acquire so abo Akuapem North Municipal say ochra me nyina yankoto aba ema unit and assembly.
I see you solo abatwa ye kwa akoto is it different from the general elections na ya where the voters ID card na eko ndro bi bisa me metum de me Ghana card akọ verification ni ade obi say me kai afi bi atwe mo me ko general election ye de me fingerprints is why you say that be is not verified ni ade are we over this challenge have we gone over these challenges and bibia dana kwemu a obetimi ahye yen bo say have we tried the machines and verification machines na obetimi aka say wo kira no nyame adoma bibia ebekotote
yo opening pepe na okano and there's going to be verification machines in all the police stations with backup. And yakwa obia the voter ID card beko to voter ID card so yira oroko beko na odin wo so aye 2020 register and 2023 register ni na yere ni na ko center ho na fi transfer even so ya transfer ni na wo center ho to kwa even you say verification machine no na odin wo ma ya scan code no don't start to so verify no ko ebi susu ho a ni nsane mfa ya face ole ya mama eko also so a machine and man pick di na mo particulars wo mu no ya wo bibia refer na manual verification ni na rebeko na obia atini atuna ba
atibeti wasi ya wachira na obi ntime mfa na ECOWAS card ana Ghana card se de dodo na aka no embeto aba
pato dabi and the odiba MBY because no in use a card you see voter ID card na mo so udin na card na yira ukwa udin wo register him. Janua so buding na there will be a name reference list. The name reference list it contains the names in alphabetical order. And it will refer you to the page in the register where you can find your name and warning.
I see. Into what's between 7 in the morning AM and enyumbre non sono ana enyumbre no num na te say to abanewie. Is this the first time and I say I be paying?
Oh, Akuapem over there since the inception of this elections, 2019,
Okay.
Until this year, so every 4 years, So this is not the first time.
I asked that question because na me per se a picture of Sadia Bibia Bekona a corner sana ayana beye brebe and a mutumi buba aba na yen.
It started 7 o'clock pepe. There to abana both 5 na ya pon. And from 5 on na ve ye be kan. So we say both units and assembly na be tekimere.
Okay.
Yeah, I say a bit can assembly elections, no. You are and say I can unit. But any American kind for Akuapem of all the 32 electoral areas is contested. Units and assembly and be taken money. In a mere domination and hard year, maybe be a constituent dear. About both 7-8 years now we are on 11.
All right, 7-8 no be ne smoothness, ne level smoothness. My young photo will be both the aspirants and one of my voters.
Yo, na photo I made them aspirants no first and say yes, so almost the agent na otima cause Evamawa. Near Obeyan said Melanie come for accreditation. Now Oba young officer. Now the only by one officer agent for all the police station within your electoral area now. Now what you when they watch your voter ID card. They are endorse it. They are actually common names. Then a temporary staff will say these are the people coming to observe for this person. So that's here. And son of a man na or your agent amo. That's a 1 year sir na who fear na so call your agent. Yes staff they are all more now one time on your agent. That's for the aspirants. Then he sent the CBO and he said, who say we are non-partisan. Non-partisan. Law is say any political party. They show and say, more behind say political colors behind the general.
Okay.
What is here? Nothing. So being so a problem in the police station, it will be often a presiding officer. Presiding officer no only in charge of the police station. And to be beaten and not to be there will be security people around. And to more being family and incident same.
Okay. Anape ya beda wase yewra Solomon agaga nim se ejuma ne doso ochina gidi anopa nonson kwesi enwumre no nom anti ebeja no akoto awunjuma so na mweni that's was ochina said the tebia na Okoman radio yenso yebetu ana ma beko rounds if possible baby ese yekobia na yebewra ho na yasom ye manfo said the ebeya onum behu nia ekoso anape papa solo yedase obre ne wadaje.
Yes, it was papa. I mean, Shromo. I mean, my yard, papa, mama, Akuapem, I had that be a meeting, as far as Obia, no present in the case. Now I am the my idea. I'm a publicity denier fast. I mean, Shromo, I am Gasepa.
I mean, Shromo, so yedase.
So, yeah, that's it. So, bye bye.
Bye bye. That was a quick one with Mr. Solomon Angaga, AC Director, Akuapem North Municipal Assembly. 15 minutes after 9. Yeah, bedin komo. And come on, huh? Kofi and Johnson. So bribi pa. That's right.
Mangana, Adeshe Mama, Mama Minnesota, Mama Yefebia Kuya, Odo, and Fansumi and many. Now many, Yakasara Japadea, Yanana no tea, Abebre Saki de Tomaya. Ain't you a seminal say, Yasungane? Anya Sapa, Dajin Chiriba, Baba Bimuyan for Minia, Susu Brille Baby. Wapwagana Nagana beyo Ereyeyo efeminwaro Soso brebe baby Wapwagana Nagana beyo Ereyeyo efeminwaro
Of course, Soso brebe baby Fema my Ghana Say Ghana be ye and ye. It lies between all of us. It's in our hands. So therefore, we got to do the needful the right now, the right time. Ghana be fun into my pefra. I am so privy to have Obapa Angelina Negate, Social Welfare Director Akuapem North here in the studios. Papa Daniel Ado Efo Moshraj, Municipal Director Akuapem North. And I'm Pomamponsa, Public Health Nurse, Municipal Health Directorate, Inspector, my wife, Mabe, Inspector Irene Mabe, a DOPS coordinator, Akropong Division. Obu nyina wo fidue mu ye bedin komo. Abusa for ma munyina fishi apa.
Afem committee.
Na mpombo ko de. Efrem Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku. Mami ada ye koye fa ye kodi Farmers Day e wa adoso. Asebi a wodi ye no. Chemi number so be frame me be si ne wan frame da. Wa sam na mi ken. Na o hwehwe o ko hwehwe. Wa sam na mi ken. Empo mu ti sen.
You what?
We are the day.
Boko.
I so be frame one frame.
I agree bed was.
Udi asa de udi become pa. When je asa na udi o to me esa o speech this was everything was on point. Come if you watch me number. Na ya fra ne ndi nkoma one frame.
Me frame pacho.
Obesin afre.
Me frame.
Okay. Eje fuma ti sen.
Well, nyame adom me hu ye.
Bibia de de.
Bibia de abo.
Banchi de jem pepe. Udi ne yadai.
Hana Ampoma Amponsa.
Hana Ampoma Amponsa. Okay. Hana Ampoma Amponsa. Okay. I see. Inspector.
Yes, sir.
Irene. Mabi. Boko there.
Nyame adom boko.
Yes, sir. I said me do be bow hopa. Me girl be anyam. O person di ifunu be ma me. Ojuna ho say.
Ye twen o.
We famra.
Mpacho.
Na me ba mo be ti ama me.
So what say o die na ne obeka say ne die no.
No no so aba. E o menyem no 20 May June. 20 May June no. Anyway, that was just by the way. I don't pay me damn one so to suffer more maba. Me nim say biribi o hodmo say ye ka ye di ho nkomo. Ansa afi we akone wie ye. E dey important and dey hwe. Mato amamo.
Okay. Nti anopei yen pesua so ede ye mofra ho banbo nti na ye wa ha. Nti senia unim de da no social welfare shraj dofsu and health ye ka emofra na kire se obo banbo no na ehia ye mpa enti eniama me ensa ana ye pese ye be ka ho asem
okay
anopei ba ko ne child labor teenage pregnancy and substance abuse
child labor teenage pregnancy and what?
Substance abuse.
You ready? Substance abuse, no. And only a day. Me no metiasie, but bakuna a DH de metiasie.
Enti ye nro ahora ye didi dwuma no.
Drugs.
Drugs. See ye di bedi dwuma kwan paso.
Okay. So the first place, let's start with the child labor. Ma wo me ba. Me miswa no. Edumem nda obekwa efum obekwa akodo bekwa akotu banche betwa bode odi eja ana enyina menim ne hafo frɛ no famiko frɛ no eja ana enyina ebi ana wetwetwe ja kakra nya banche kakra mankeni wo hono mu a se mutumi kɔ emunya akuhye bi a mweku no munya akoto bi a mututu koko kakra be fi that is what you are going to eat eno chira cha wo kwa wundo ubeye adwuma obedo na wa befie o ma me pese wo de body ana biribi ko echi o de besi uti ma wakọ ba se wo koje adopa bi do na wa unya biribi kakra tu botomu a obekọ akoye eno ye mbisa se ya ma me ne ye janom ye yensa na se ekoba se police ni hu yen na social welfare fo ebi mu hu yen a yemfom so se me ma me o me papa wo me meteme antenchen ana o se mako school apon anapa me be ko school metinungu anapa me ko school no aje mediesi kire ne eyi seminar ne omoni ade ko echi ansema besia ko school anu mfom so wo ho
yo enti say ye be boa wasemi a ye mfa bibi mramu ansana asembisa no emu aye no aba enti anopa adwumadi aye ba bedi eye plan Ghana for no maso yasene
okay
project bi aye frɛ no be smart be smart
okay
and learn and stay protected now almost started project a check akra end December 10th ya
okay
na che say project no end no na ansa na ebekwa wie no esese yeba na yebema omanfo ehu nia ekoso.
Okay.
Na omukọ 5 communities mu ewo ye municipality ha. Eno ne Kwamoso, Abuabo, Mangwase, Timbankwanta, ene Okrasi.
So the name is Abuabo.
Abuabo.
Okay.
Sa 5 communities yi omone emaya ene ememua teenagers ena na edi dwuma no kese pa na dwumadie ni be wie ni ye be hu sa ohawi sa eye ne a ekoso ewo ye municipality ha enu ntina ye hu ni se ehu hia se ye beka ho asem ye bebo hu dawro na ye nyina ye hwe kwan a ye befa so a ye de behwe na sa manesi ya mana bafo ye beka se ye ntimi mani firi okra na nso ebetimi abafo mama na boaye enu ntina ye wa ha no pay enti sa niama miensen teenage pregnancy, child labor and substance abuse no eye ne ekoso pa e was 5 communities here.
Okay. Right. Isiano, you've been able to identify what the problem is. And Ramayati say child labor, teenage pregnancy, and substance abuse. How do we curb these problems?
Yo, yeah, that's a part. Enti, one say social welfare de obi besie yen Amanfo ni ye die ana yedwen ho kese pa. Enti ni ayeye ne se yebo dawro.
Okay.
Awofo ene mofra obi a na ye kyerɛkyerɛ ye nkyerɛkyerɛ a kyerɛ kwan a ye befa so a ye bɛbɔ ye ma ho ban. Enti se wo ba abamu ana abaya na uhu se na brabom asesa efisa wo mkɔba nyina no omu sua niama bebrefi omu mesi nkyɛn omu nanfofo nkyɛn na nsan kra ya tisi ese boys no ubehu no kita pure water bottle na nsuo wom pure water bottle ekita na nsuo wom no eye bibi eye substance bi na odi egu nsuo no mu a onum wobɛka sɛ ye nsuo enso na enye nsuo enti ubehu sɛ wo ba no na brabo asesa esesa wo ye ntam na wo hwɛ ne nti a abrabo no asesa nti ye nam ne ye educate omanfo no.
Don't you think sombo no dodo na ho no mo ye mfa mbo awofo no because maame na nkasa no wonam no wanya ne yesese wo ye no koshia bema no and both of them identified to each other and yefuna kwa akoba yefunu no koba na papa no kura wanje and we dwane because per the researcher kakra ya ye na kire se bebre na a single parent. There was no father. Papa bi eni ho. There was no man to father the kids. Until obi abo ne bra said ebi kura wa anya ma me kwa ne tweduane makura ne dia kura no at the age of 10, 12 no started so hwe ne ho. What do we do to make sure say sa akola no peer pressure and adamfo influence no ma ne mfa ne hu nkowura bibisa mo.
Ene na wo ka ho asemi eye den pa na so ye yere ye ho. Sani awudi kan ye no. Se aye single parenting bu hokra na ne grandparent na hwe no ne nana ba na ne nana bema oba na owo ye no wafi kronimu okọ enkran na kumase tema kopa adwuma aye wagya mofra na ma ne nana abrewa ono so ahoɔden ahe no wo a obema nani aku akola no ho nti eno de sani awudi kan ye no eye ne a ekoso pa wa ha nanso ye kan nyina eye education na sensitization na ubeka ebeto obi asom yakase ye nka ho asem a ene enye ye kra enti awofo ene mufra ni nyina na me de bia me ka se emema no so ya na yesra mo manya abotre yesi ema na enyinyi na ye ready nso mo de mo se mufra na ana mo pe sebe musa mufra na enti no mufra na sa won se onya matured enti wakofa na wie no won se wanya
mbofra ne so ne pe because him endra anajo as late as maybe 11 12 na me home family. So I wanted to go to a place, a clinic bi, in front of Orange Hospital there. Now me do hana me who said 2 boys. Omo ju omo shirt, omo nya bleed brika. Masa girl bia wa ha ana me say oh dabi na me say me sure ba me kwa na misuro na me say o mi hu oba bia wa ha na o mu dibi ka gidigidi e fo soro enti o mu fo so na o san be sen e call down o mu call down na chena girl no e betwem girl na wonyem na me hwe na age between baby maximum will be like 16 anti girl ni betwem no ana me hu so o mu sa so dibi ka efiase wo ba na me say masa mu girl ne still na me say oh wa betwem me hu so oba bia betwem mo ha sisi a ani me dan me nshira mo say girl ni dibi ka wurem ade aso asma me kan na ade asa girl ni wurem ho no boys no at the touch e ko hwehwe wurem ho no na me say adan girl no ye hwan ana ba ko be ka chem so any girlfriend oh ni na nyin say na girl no wo saman kasie kure bi ase na anadwene na wo baaye na me say so no baaye dey na say account boy no say bibia nsiye but misunderstanding bi na akoso e wo mu ntem but me hwe aggressiveness na boys na use a me ko efe na mintimi nkoda me so say bi o mo pena aye ni bibi but ntimi gina ho ama ne bo almost 12 something na me gina ho na boys so na mura ni mo hwehwe girl no enti wa kwa last 16 years na ma ho kwan mo bi anyem wo na wa free wo maame no papa nchen esaman kase o se saman kase ekura bi o na wa be hwan na yemfa sombo no nkobo no
no kra ne awo ka no yete wase pa ye kasa ye nyina o ye awofo no ye mofra no wo ho a obehwe kra na awofo parent no wa amma ne kwan no na mom ono ana so oden no wakwa akofa aba aha but ne ka ne say ye awofo say ye mofra o ye asede sese ye ka ho asem nti ye ka ho asem wo ka me ka obi e ka e beto ba akwaso nti ye de ye nkyerɛkyerɛ na say ye behwɛ na atɔ yasun na awofo a wahwe kwan obefa so obebɔ ne ba ho ban ahombanbɔ na awofo nso emfa emma omumma no eno nso ka ho ena eya yetai nya sa oha wei bebre se wo hwe ye sase sa efa sa mufra omo nyinsan hu a ana mufra omo di omo kɔhye enkwala bɔne sa nu bɔne hu nsem ya eye won a omo awofo enhye da mo omo ho ban enti obi beka se ene eye den na sikani nso ne ba ede ne ho kɔhye nu bɔne mu oni adaje ama ne ba no ofie enti ne nanfofo ana ekira ne esese oye enti se obi a oni bia obeba ne ba ho ban entimi mfa niama abofra ne hia emma no na sakola no ekokoye niama ehu hia ni ono so wo bi obetimi dia ma ne ba nya ne a ohia ewo abrabo mu no oni adaje no watia ne ba no enti eniama mienu esese ye nyina ye hwekon ebefa so a awofo no ye bebo ye ho ban agencies no so hwe education no enti eno a na eguso ayeye.
I see. You made mention of child labor. What is your definition of child labor?
Enti yaka child labor. Aya na Amanfo bebre kan say akwala na o ma ni nko school a o ye adwuma no. Nanso ekwa akire.
Ekwa akire ho.
Ne yete ne say yaka child labor. Yese abofra a esese oko school na o ma ne kwan e ma ni nko school na momo ma ne ye adwuma.
What about Aklani is not interested in schooling?
Woman ye adwuma na wodi nya wo ho. You see? Wo ye akola ne ye adwuma na wodi nya wo ho. Ye ka akola obi a onya 18 years.
Okay.
Enti so se onko school a adwuma wo ho so sua. Ye wo free a basic universal education FQ no. Enti so se onko krese o se otimi kokodu JHS.
Okay.
Enfane se wonya 15 years and 14 years obetimi akwa akosun adwuma but se abofra ni ndu sa level na se age no na se odi ni ye adwuma enya wo ho a eno ne friend ni se child labor.
I see. Anti akwa child labor sa no Mamenko Commissioner of Human Rights and Administrative Justice for na mene Daniel ato efum yebra enkasa se emre bi wo honom a etia biribi sei na se wo bi yesa na nsa so ni mu a kwan ben so ne ye denefa
yo medase say sana mama chere child labor aseno se wo yi say adwuma na abofra no yema opanyin bi di nya so mfaso no woyi to nkyɛn sɛ esi wa abofra no school ho kwan na mo ntumi nko school a sɛ adwuma koro no ɛma abofra na apɔmudin sɛm nso ɛtɔ agyegya mu wo bɛhwɛ na adwuma na abofra no yɛ no ɛbro na hoɔden so ɛno nso wɔ hɔ ɛna afei adwuma na abofra no yɛ no nso wo bɛhwɛ no na bi a osa na nti ɔnhyɛ da ni adwuma no ho nyansa na nimdeɛ nti ɛma obetumi anya nsunsuanso bɔne ɛwɔ sɛ adwuma no yɛ mu nti sɛ wohwɛ saa areas yi nyinaa na ɛkyerɛ sɛ abofra no ɔwɔ child labor mu na sɛnea wobisa no ɔmamra no ɛkyerɛ sɛ abofra biara no ɛwɔ the right to be protected na protection no ɛyɛ ɛfa na apɔmuden ho ɛfa ne school kɔ ho sɛnea obetumi anyin abɛyɛ panyin papa ɛwɔ society mu enti sɛ abofra no ankɔ school na ɔyɛ adwuma a etia mmara sɛ abofra no yɛ adwuma na adwuma na ɔyɛ no ɛboro na ahoɔden so na ɛno nti ebetumi ama ne nyin koraa atɔ sin a etia mmara ɛna adwuma na ɔyɛ no nso okese ɛyɛ risky we wɔ biribi a wɔsɛ ɔfrɛ no hazardous work hazardous work no ɛyɛ adwuma a ɛnwɔ sɛ abofra ɛyɛ because oni ho nyansa oni ho nimdeɛ ɔyɛ a ebetumi a expose no to harm okay you enti saa nnwuma ne nyinaa no sɛ wɔde abofra bia ɛyɛ a wotomra sɛ woba Children's Act no mu koraa na ɛtomra police for emranyawa emfa wo ho enche wo enti sɛ obi de abofra bi ewura child labor mu a na wo sɛ nipa no ehu sɛ nea ɔyɛ no emranya na emfa ne ho enche no na ye kano nso no sɛ yeyi nea yabobɔ so eto nkyɛn a nnwuma ni bi wɔ hɔ a ɛno nso ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ sɛ adwuma no na ɛyɛ den bebree anaasɛ ɛyi bat akɔyɛ sɛ yɛ fie adwuma enti yɛfa no sɛ bi a normal but na ɛnyɛ normal sɛ bi a obi yɛ guadini operate shop enti osusu sɛ ɛyi a na meyɛ na mede hwɛ mmɔfra yi enti mmɔfra no fi school aba wɔanya biribia de ɔmo a mewɔ store kakra mfumso bi a ne ho na mmom saa abofra no tena store hɔ a na ɛbɔ anwummiri no wɔtwe pɛpɛɛpɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ wohwɛ sɛ abofra no obɛfi store hɔ na obɛnya kwan akɔ fie akɔboaboa no ho saa adesua na obɛsua a wasua na wanya brada ama wahome iye aboaboa no ho ama adekyi dwumadi a ɛwɔ n'anim sɛ no watwe botwam na abofra no ɛda so wɔ store hɔ pɛpɛɛpɛ na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ child labor sɛ wotɔn nsa a mmara ma kwan sɛ wo ba oni 18 years no woman no kwan na ɔboa wo ɛtɔn nsa no you
really
you
and that's mo bachiche enkrofo bebre
saa ɛna ɛte no
enso mo nche won mo mambra ne nche won
saa na ɛte no ɛna sɛ impo obi operate guest house hotel wontumi mfa wo ma nkese ɛwɔ sɛ wɔboa wo efisɛ mu na wo fi hwɛ fie ɛnam sɛ wo customers anaasɛ potential customers a access wo services no wo gya mmɔfra wɔ hɔ no ma it may cause more harm than good
okay
nti saa areas no ɛnwɔ sɛ yɛma mmɔfra ho kwan ɛma wodi dwuma ɛwɔ hɔ enti sɛ obiara yɛ saa mmara so mu a ɛmfa wo ho ɛnkyɛ wo
anso bebre ɛyɛ saa mmara no so wo momo we have the policies but we are not implementing the policies are there but they are not working why
yegu so bodawuri ya no policies no implementation ebe bia na ha na enchiro bi ma ye hu but eye adwuma
my uncle na me inspector Irene Mabe ndin komo bisa inspector say when was the last time embrani bi eche obi a embrani ye adwuma
midase embrani de eye adwuma pi enye se embrano enye adwuma
inspector ye adwuma
papa
wo di ye adwuma
ye di ye adwuma
sa
mankasa me di ye adwuma
wankasa wo di ye adwuma
wo de banko an dia embrano be ye adwuma.
But there was one thing. Wadawroma, ye bedan kra se man betra ha na man chechire mu se ya. Ana mo nso mo ye madwene se mo beba. Adam ni dan parisha me ka kire ne se, "Papa yi, wo de minim wo nya nne." Ye wo mene se sisi awo ma police for ne nkasa. Nti asem bi kra ho no ma esese police beba o se je se minya eyi from esoro ho ansa ya makasa. And emwa time ana me ni Alex Obin ye programming twice in a week, every time. And adentina mo pese mo beka sa penifo say permission from above asana yes anti mo na if se mam bo hu dewro se de ndɛ yeti ha no mi Kenya ebeye dan Yesu ka asem bi when e ka sa no or say how can they hear the word unless when e kai I remember acha yes unless we preach if we fail to preach they will not hear. It's better mo ye den
ye dem brand ye adwuma
and brand dem di ye adwuma mo na mo say what of the law is not an excuse. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. And if we don't know, how do we prevent it unless it is known to us or we know? And musu amon bo dewuro musu amon ka hwe nkire yen dofsu for
we say pacho enu nti na nyame adom plan for ede omo ho ababebo dofsufo omo form agency social welfare health Shraj Ghana health any NCC for nyina eka ho
okay
enti the robot for no ewo ho no mo
NCC for da so we ase omo ho table sukro mu ni bi na car krom de be kwa akobodero na omo de akọ the
robot for no ewo ho no mo e na yen so a ye implement embrano yen so ye wo ho no
mo implement na say mo enforce
ye enforce sorry ya ye enforce no yen so ye wo ho no mo enti ye bo ho de ro no na nea onim say niema bi wo ho no mo ye wo omo communities etia embrano na omo te no one said that bi niami ye etia mra ana nea osumesi ye etia mra enti ma me mo emra nimfo no law enforcers no amane na omuntu ho anamo enti ye ho no ye adwuma pa
sir me huni amenka kra ekobani say it has an adverse health implications on the individual abawa hana my what is your role? What are you also the Minister of Health for? Also, na more ye.
Okay. Yes, ye enoma p. Ebini say, yeni agencies ye ni omu wahe yeni omu ye juma pa. Send ye beya nkola omu go through child labor no. Omu be refer omu so amayen because impempi no. Enyuma na ede omo ye na ebi wo ho ebi num kwa nya psychological problems wo ho nti yen ye role a ye play ni say ye be provide sa support yi di amomo se na ebe ya embenya insunso anso bone e wo mo so bre omo adru omo mpeni di mu nti ye role kesi a ye psychological support for victims of child labor.
I see. Now, before I may say, okay, ubebem kakra. Bremu kakra mame. Angelina.
Senia anti-health air cano. Omo ema some kind of psychological support. Omo ma health assistance and so.
Okay.
Health support. Omo ma counseling. Enti say obi I go through sa a situation now ebi a child labor ama onya yare bia omo hwese na pomudin no ebeye papa
okay
they do that yawo cases bebra yare fair ama health for omo na omo hwe teenage pregnancy nkoleya omu nyinsen ye ne oma ene cry yo abaya bi wo ye nsem a this month ya esese owo omo ana omo hwe abofra no amaye nti na pomudin mu de enuro ene se ne omo be kasa akire abofra no na watimi afisa ohawunum no they are doing it nti yaka psychosocial support social welfare yedimu akoten pa. So when we give the psychosocial support, the health also comes out with the medical support. Normally,
I see. Me call Inspector Irene in Champion. Inspector, teenage pregnancy. Me per se ye share honum na ye boss kakra. Ye brain kra ya ye pianisa. Teenage pregnancy. It's on the ascendancy, and ebrebia no uchia nkola no ebisa omo se koba ne se na onyema o se me papa ni bi me mama ni bi me ni nipa ohwebe ye hwa nkola ntonton so ye omo nyenyenyemi na me mbisa se wo mo nyenyem san nkola yi biribi ho me se se ye de ye won ese se ye hwe omo ware nkola no ese ye hwe omo hwe won ana se de na ye betimi aye e de aboa won
medase free teenage pregnancy asema ubisa me anope no omo de nkwala fasa tebia ni mu no emra wo honom a ebo nkwala no ho ban na emra so wo honom a ene saa enkrofo no ebetumi edi
ebiso na nkwala no so hu omo so omo ye nkwala o ano so ebe ne den
nkwala no onipa ko de yesa no onim se nkwala no ye nkwala na
nkwala sa enya rape a wehu One colana bomb any at one
embrano e wo ho no e kire say abofra enya 16 years na odo ho koka no ana wo ne no hia e won nemu a e defilement wo defile abofra
16 and 17
16 so nya 16 years
hey ento nya 16 years e tumi ne da
embrano e the defilement e be si 16 years
hey Manya de 18 and 20 16 days so usha
emrano na eka enti abofra de ne say eba no e hono mo ne de a onya 16 years ye enti odo ho koka ne pe a defilement
but onya 16 na utumewe
emrano betumi edi
inspector onya 16 years a utumewe
pacho mayen
we see emrano say onya 16 years now the whole kind a defilement.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm saying onya 16 years onya 16 years now we are near defilement
in a sense say either say o man ho kwan anasa wo force na whatever it is no we defile abofra no bitimi ni abofra onya 16 years da wo bisa na o say my girlfriend. But emrano kire say abofra 16 years ontimi ndwen na ho ontimi ndwen e ma no ho e ba no endemu afa sa na ya ye mra no
enti sania inspector kasai what we say ye kasa entity training a ye de mayema efifie wo ba a wo 18 years ye won krofo bebra omunya 22 years omu hu be mada omu nkofo oba ye onu onya ganani Ganani.
So it's the training.
It's the training. Enti emrane say wunya 16 years na se be man wo die defilement. Enti pesa wo kire say emrano ema ho kwan say onya 17 years a mentimi ne nada. Meanwhile in the act no akola eyobi a onya 18
years.
Enti yenya hwese na ye ho. But say awofo ehwe etete omumma me de bia asem a me kan no omuhwe tete omumma when say emofra na oka pregnancy no teenage pregnancy ye wo adult a omu impregnate teenagers ene ye wo teenagers omu impregnate teenagers ni nyina emra wo ho into ye teenager na we impregnate teenager ye nka se kware no na enu nti na ye wa he ye
boda wo se akola ni suku
da bi akola no kwaje man kire se wase ni suku da bi on se ni suku ye Yakopon boa no wa. Obaba beto ani suku so.
The stigma attached to that.
Oh, me pamocha no nti necessary ye nyina ye hwe ne ye gyae. Stigma ben. Ye fa ne say asem bi ne ba ye na sa nyinsen ya ba. Yakọ rape no. Nipa no ko rape no no. Oye adult. Emra ne needy. Enti stigma ben.
Oh, they know you adult.
Stigma ben. Wahu. Nti ube kasa chire nti ne ma psychosocial counseling, ye ma parents and the child. Wahu, ni ama medical supporter ha akola no. Nti owu wi a, oto aso akonu suku. Uba ye educational sector ni mu a, emra na ma ho kwan se so onyimpo na so betimi akọ classroom a onkonko sua de. But na ferry ni ade nti
ye. So bia wa yet say abawa ha na woti ha say. No betimi akọ school.
Eno ni asem nti no ye hwe se ye bebo maya na omanyinsan saa no ho ban. Owo wi a wako school. Na eno na awofo no mu bi nhwe no. Se akola no nyinsan pe omse ne ekọ na omachire na mabema no esese ye nyina ye hwe na ye ka ho asem ye ahemfo omo wo ye nkura nkitinkiti nim
ahemfo ahema especially
nkura nkitinkiti nim parents asofo onso we de ye fie ye hwe ne ye nsiesie emra na kire se wa ubedi anim se ye hwe na sa akola no ye nka ho asem wo fie no emra ne sa so mu a ono ubedi ana na mama dofsu eka no semra no so mu a se ne etie na so eso mu a o pa
okay eja Daniel
efasa 16 years asemna ye kano wa ho se ne wo se ye nyina ye te asene se emra wo ye mayen no e wo se yen Amanfo na ye wo man no mo no yan ye detect the kind of loss wo be ya amaye enti sa 16 years we say what na ye wo nwanwa say ye nyina yete na ye ngadwene kopenkurum say 16 ni ye nyentuma e wo say ye mpanyin tumi sesa enti me ne girl center fo gender center fo project be last year
okay
na ne awo me yete asene say one more advocate for change of that 16 years in the laws because enyadia ebetumi aboya enti Amanfo nyina gitum say ye ma 16 years no wo nyini say ye be ma kwan say obetumi engage in sex we can change that law because young and why ye mra no edema you
okay nia ebeboa me pa antenes wo pese obe mana antenes ibrem abawa hana.
Okay, so a fat teenage pregnancy no issue Akuapem North ye battle pan ye share last year ye statistics are about 11% of ye population omunyem teenagers are omunyem which is very worrying. Egusu koso this year ye knew baby but baby nenam no koso. Into young health near say in our schools, all basic schools, ne secondary schools, you'll be a friend adolescent clubs. Yati adolescent clubs wo honoma. Ye knew omunya ye educate you omo. Ewo changes na omu firm no baby nim the changes they go through. Into ye chiro omo mo ti asiye. Ma omo fasa changes no mo mahu say normal ya san tro mo kwan a omo be fa so a say ba onya saatin kanum po a which is part of the changes now omo go through na ni obeye because se onima enonya saatin kan ebe ne se oni obi enkohia nti yesa ena ye health centers na wo Akuapem North nyina ye wo bibi efe na adolescent cannes ya create baby a we adolescents na wo how bimpa ubetimi aba na ya churchill na ene wa kasa ye nim se fitiano pakosi ewienum de ya na omu wo school mu nti enumere kra ye wo ho no mom so omu beba na ye ne omu edisan komo ye hwe ye causes pan of teenage pregnancy ya bebre beka se na wofo entimi ento we mano especially pad nti ye communities no so ye engage parents no so at least omu pe bibi kakra enye se na be ya omu betimi meet the needs of adolescents no ye wo awufo ne bi wo omu akwa na momo emma no eko because ono na be ko aba no discover fie sanso ne ye stress obi wo ho nim san eduman keten a ye betimi a kire ya awufo se na be yo betimi aye normal meet the needs of adolescents na nkoye say e wo se ono na ekọ na okope bibi eba nti we ni kakra yen so health ye fa ho.
Okay. I wish Parasenka yebenya bre at least even once a week or twice a week. Nanka ebia you fa one topic too, then we discuss into details. That educate the masses on this. Me ano pay yamu amo can say 16 years e kura kami timiti na me wawa. I am shocked. Sir, I mean, wawa. Auntie Irene, Dofsu, Mama, matete mo. Papa Dairado, from me how me too nina. She was a social worker as an obeko nursing or child as also a beko nursing or the retirement. Mehamo pa because as I said, Moma ye tenase ne yesinko nyadinko mobi. Said ye ebeya because nyama bebre wo hono mo a. As I say ho hayen, but we don't know how to go about it. So since you are here now, I will a branding team means ebre. Mama my advice. Now this is the 16th year of it's an anniversary, I suppose.
No. We no year. Say see ano. Ni awareness gender-based violence. Abeye adea akoye or how we are seeing
it's a global something.
Yes. Into every year no we 16 days.
Oh, okay.
What the activism.
Okay.
To eliminate it.
Okay.
Na a period in November 26th to December 10th.
Okay.
And no commemoration no and yeah with this.
And a momambe.
You.
Am I yeah.
Community.
But you people shouldn't forget that radio is powerful and heterogeneous.
We know.
It cut across.
We know. Anything you have
say radio, quality and penny 40. You cannot do without radio.
Was it better late than never? Into Yaba.
Sabre me shato muso. I am come shall me 31st or be better me so me shall movie. Me shato muso. Dampari on to mention me. Dampari madam for on to mention me. Me shato muso say from January. Ekono monambe yenti hour ha. It's not all about money. What is our responsibility as a radio station? We have our social corporate responsibility that we have to do. Antimode kakra kra bra yen say oh ye niska ye ni hwe bo de we monfanto light credit light monfangu mo power so I love me person educated the masses on such issues. Me am jani me about the drops I me won say bebre but I have a lot of questions and no grant me da me na what I say obi be catch them me say on ne yira awo na aware na ye basa oba no jaye aware no ekware be ma foforo de be ma foforo no edin ato akwala ne so ba me wa ni kru dada na etu akwala no school fees am akwala na wi nti be ma de was not privy to that information we no en some bebre wo ho SSA ye hwe na ye ka afoto ebu ho amfa ma ye ne empagya mu
ne ayebe kan say efa teenage pregnancy senior edi kanka ye no abofra only 16 years yes wunyin sen na ne nam so ya nyinsan no eba ye no e defilement enti sa asem no e was say we report ma dopsu any social welfare na asem no eko Ghana health if it says we defile abofra bia na health element wom and psychological trauma wom and sana criminality no so ewo ho e was say wo hwe no waye enti saa ensem no enya de e was say yetena so wo fie if it say emwa bikura na onipa we defile abofra no na or sexually transmitted disease say oma health fo aso tentama wo measures a wo be take ya ebebo abofra no ho ban efisa enema no ho na child labor issues nso se obi wobia eno so wobetumi a report ya ma social welfare wobetumi a report ya ma strike ekoni den a yebepia de ama dopsu se ne ebe ya yebetumi a sanitize yang environment no na obi anya asumdwei.
All right, so far so good. Angelina, bibi oho biem. Bibi oho.
Bibi oho.
Bibi kitwe bi.
Kakra bi.
Ebre na so.
Enti ye besra wo for say. Omuma omani nko omuma ho. Ye besre fi say ni nyina akoba eye parents. Enti no oma no do so na se untimi enhwa. Wo de walk in bra social welfare office since say wo be jai abofra na manako fa ohaw. Enti ye wo ho. Office no wo ho. E wo Akropong Municipal Assembly ho.
Okay.
Baby education office no wono. Okay. Obia bibia ha no abrabo mu adwuma mu or how our resem mu frasem emprantwensem nyina omra. Na
no tum dem emprantwensem aba ho.
Kire ye wono ye de ama enkrofo no. Say ya ye kan prantwen ye den. Dating and courting. Please. Intino. Okay. No asem ni eke.
Okay. Antones. Abawa hana.
Okay. Men so kakra medebe kan wona say health facilities work Akuapem North na available to provide services. Into obia adolescent penimu obi owo ha obia no maninsro umbra yebe hwe no.
All right, finally, Inspector Irene Mabe.